Thank you, baby. Thank you so much for the little something.
Mommy, you know, so I always go make sure you're alright. Any amount of money you want, just call me.
Oh, God, you're my favorite daughter. I love you for that, you know. Oh, God, thank you. Especially now. And now me need it. So we can...
Just make sure you push it down in your pocket.
Yeah, man, it locking.
So, mommy, how things?
Well, now things good. Things better. You have to give thanks. How things with you?
Well, you know, sir, things alright with me. As always. As long as me have money and me have life, everything great.
Some see pretty hair and everything. Fat and round like England pound.
Mommy, listen up. As a young girl, you can always make sure you find good man who can take care of you. You understand? So all if we are working, we are bringing food money, man must can give money too.
Exactly.
That is right.
And I love the way you bring it in too. So when me go meet him,
mommy, no, it's not the right time for that. Just go and enjoy the money, no man. When the time is right, me make him meet my boyfriend. And the right time right now.
No, man. Me want to know who me can say thank you to, who me must say excuse me to and thing. You know, me want to know who I treat my daughter so good.
Mommy, soon. Just have a little patience, no, man. You might come here, come look for you soon.
When?
And I know if you're fuck when I come here, you might bring a lot of gift come give you. I always talk about you and say you want to meet your mother-in-law so bad and this and that.
Hello, I'm
hey, baby, what is this? We get blessed twice in the same day. What you bring for me? But you're here.
What you bring for mommy?
Me not bring nothing.
You not bring nothing? No. So Kelly, me tell me say you come here with a too long hand?
You know, obviously see me something. Me bring my love and my heart come. What go on, mommy?
So all can full belly? Love can full belly, Kayla?
No, yes, my love can full mommy belly. What the problem? So I want to come for me, sir. What happened?
We're glad to see you.
We're glad to see you, yes, but I should at least bring something come give mommy. Even water.
Especially the storm just gone.
Mommy, this time I come look for you see for alright.
I'm glad to see you.
Mommy, sometimes I don't like your style. I don't like your style. You try to show up me little thing.
With what?
Girl, me know you talk to mommy. Don't talk to her, so she getting her age. Mommy, don't make nobody talk to you, so okay?
That's why me have to love your sister, so you know, I love you too.
Put on the more, because I don't want to see you more, like your
well, she come look for me and she put the thing in my hand.
She put in her hand?
Love. Physical love and emotional love.
That is it. And when
you up your pocket, so?
I'm a phone.
No, my mommy. Me feel the phone or something else.
Leave mommy alone. You see what me give mommy and your business. I fear that.
What you give mommy?
Me squeeze her a piece of change.
Oh, what you call change? My rich sister, what you call change?
20K.
Change.
My.
And that just a start.
Oh, so that's why you don't start attack me so like you want shame, like you want she know say me not bring the money come give you.
No, not that. But me see you with your pretty hair and everything. Last time me see your hair look like pepper pot green. I know your hair do pretty. So me check say you're alright, cause you would never do your hair before you look after yourself.
Exactly.
So me I check say like how hair. If you did come with the same pepper pot green.
So wait, Kelly, I mean if you tell me say I put hair over mommy. Hairstyle over mommy. You could at least buy one gel then, catch up her hair and call for mommy and bring the rest of money come give her. At least that. At least that.
Oh, really serious, you know?
At least a two.
Then the most the come forward. Oh God, I have to go to the street look so like zebra.
Listen,
mommy.
Me look like zebra right now, you know?
Mommy, because you are a zebra and you get old.
Oi.
You don't understand that? Why you wanna look? You see, this is the reason I'm not like come over here, mommy. Mommy, you know I me not have no money. And show Brittany come along and Brittany give one like 20K. You're going big mad and hype and show me up. Huh? Remember say no? As me reach 18, you take me, put me out a door. And when she did reach 18, she did still in your house, you know. And when me reach 18, you put me out.
You see why?
Why?
Brittany have manners.
You not have none.
You never treat me. You have some haggish way about you.
And all you want to run up and down with the man them.
Aye, me couldn't deal with that. 2 bull in a pen
in
now.
In a mommy house.
Yeah, 18. Me up and 2 7 more up and down with.
But in a mommy house, pan fear bed. Kayla.
Oh God, man.
Kayla, do better.
When me come around and say, well, I'm never come around for your lecture. Come around and see my mother. Never come to see you.
Let me say hello,
come to beg
you.
My dear. Sorry, my love.
Love your sister, man. She come round.
No, me
And them
nah.
a sit there and make me not come look for you early, and I think she did come early on.
Where you point your foot in her? Yes.
Mommy, this is finger. This is my foot.
Yes, and the two of them ugly alike. Don't put it in my face. I don't like it.
Mommy, if you tell me ugly, I must say out of you me come from. So clearly,
Well.
you ugly, make me come ugly.
Well,
So
nobody
really,
show
if you
me.
talk to mommy, that simple means say, imagine if me never there here.
If I
You
never
the
tell you,
worst.
things would have gone better. Because when me come on now, she da tell me, say, you just come look for you and you give her $20,000 and she just pop me for me 5.
Thank you, so me know. You see next time. Listen to mommy, you see next time you come here, you see if I don't want bag of groceries, me bring come give you, or me bring you out. If I money me I give, if you give she, it don't make no sense.
No. You know how you're.
Take you
Listen,
there.
my girl, clipper him out. Nobody stop interrupt my business now, you know. No, you come with your foolishness and you interrupt my business now, you know. No follow her.
Mommy, me
She-
not like
no,
how, me not like how
no.
Kayla go on.
No follow her. I true me I keep me cool, you know, see how me I sweat. Me I sweat because me I rise up to her. Me I do my best not to rise up to her.
Don't raise up your pressure
Mommy.
because I Kayla. You know, say it's not worth it. Okay?
Don't make Britney boots up because your name. Go on to when me and you there. Don't make
Give you which money?
Britney boots you up.
And right now,
No,
me I
but
look
she hype
roof
you up.
and
Mommy, you
zip
really
to
make
buy.
me bully you when me not there and I take your money.
No!
No, because you say, look, like when me not there, you bully her and take your money.
No, when you come
I true, you know, say, mommy, now go fight back.
She think.
Me bully you? Me a bully you, mommy?
Me give enough rope. And you see when the rope reach enough, then nobody can blame
Mommy,
me.
say, I share the one to favor you. Me feel like I should come and take care of you.
Somebody take care of her.
Take care of what?
Me working.
Take her money. That's all I good for. Listen, man, me not depend on this conversation with Una right now, here. Me not
You not
depend
take nothing
this.
from me. Yeah.
Mommy,
Continue what you're doing.
listen, mommy, me I come back one next time when she not here. Just call me,
But
okay?
make sure you continue what you're doing here.
All right, mommy.
I remember
take
what
care.
me say.
All right, come.
All right, me sweating,
All right.
but oh God,
Love you,
we love you more. Thank
Good
you,
night,
me love you.
Bye-bye, Britney.
You want to go on some man?
Mommy, me don't like this time. Mommy, me don't like come here, no, mommy. Mommy, my tie hard I eat, mommy.
Every minute, every time the two of you meet is contention. Me not like it, man.
Mommy, it's all your fault, mommy. First of all, you know, say me now work, I mean, not the money. And you just come
Sure.
out. You just boots me. You just show me.
Well, obviously, your man I do something for you. So when me I go meet your man then?
Mommy, I no time for that. When you did have your man, you did carry your man come show to your mother or your father.
You see them the days and this days are two different things, you know. You couldn't think to your call to the evening school friend without chaperone. Me bring my man which part? Me too. Me have to do my things under the corner. This is different. There's a welcome for come. Come on and see who I look after my daughter
Oh,
then.
yes, sir. One day we'll meet him.
Me want to meet him
So,
soon because your
yes.
hair pretty still
Yes,
though.
I never him do the ear and I'm a friend name. You can't give me a little $2 no time money. Me no money.
Oh God, baby. You know, say she said 20 grand, she give me, I know so much, you know.
How much?
Oh God, she never even reached that far. I
Yeah,
barely
money.
2 grand.
A $2 So give me $2 then, no, mommy.
And then when me eat, nothing a day. I tell you what.
Give me
Me I go buy
$1,000.
me I go buy some mackerel and flour and island thing. Me I go shop now with the 2 grand and buy some food and cook some food and me and you eat. And you
Then
tell
I'ma
me
come
all
with you.
about him. It's alright, man. Come on, see you not like the walking. Stay here and cool
I
off,
feel like I'm
man.
more than I feel like you can get it 20 and you they go and you after giving on.
Me I know you. Stay here and cool off, man. Me soon come.
Clean up my two of them.
Kayla.
Walk on, girl.
I see you there, sit down. Me just see you come so me can look for you where you come back and live here so.
No, girl, I'm mad.
Oh, come just gonna say if you could have a nice 6-story house and
I can't live in a boathouse. No, I can't
that
live
me
in
I
a
say.
boathouse. I can't put my mother house. My mother house want help.
so help her not like how you live lavish now.
You know, me go help her, but every time she put a little long maga pipe girl over
Your
me.
sister.
That break me.
A long time something that she need to stop doing.
You want to see me come and see the girl?
Mm-hmm.
My boss from the corner, me see her. You know, me greet them. Me told them start attack me. She come talk about she have money.
Your mother always has
she
show
rich.
favoritism.
The girl she rich. Guess how much money she give mommy?
How much money you give her? 10 grand?
For the 10 grand, it was so bad.
So how much so?
Give mommy 2 grand and come on a hype and a boss.
Must
But
joke
how
ya
she give
me.
mommy
A
20K.
joke ya me. Top lie.
And a lie.
2 grand.
Yes. 2 grand she give mommy a thump. Right with thump and a hype and a boost and a go and big and
Over 2
mighty.
grand. Say mother 2 grand woman now.
Me no know I know.
So much
And
you
mommy-
give her, you no give her no money?
Me give my mother 50,000.
50,000.
50,000 to
And
come make
she
market.
going like she richer than you.
Exactly, and me richer.
And you have your money.
Me say she a rich man. And I give mommy $2,000.
$2,000. That a money you thought you can go to supermarket, Kayla.
Well, that's why me there here now. Me no come here come live, me just come visit mommy.
Yeah.
Papa me stay until tomorrow, me not quite sure as yet. So wait, where you turn from here, say me come here.
Girl, you know, say nothing how long that this a coming. You're going like you don't know that already. Nothing how long
So
you
what
say.
going for you and your life?
Me I tell her, say, I just get one new work.
Can I work that now?
You know, say me a teacher already, but me left that school and me a work at next school down there, so you know. Little school down there, so that's what me a work, you know. And top you better, you know. Me a upgrade my life, girl.
Yeah,
Me
upgrade.
say me happy.
From me know you ever talk about your upgrade when I don't grade, you don't grade.
She always a bring me down. As a friend.
You know, no little man or nothing.
No.
Well, girl, me have a man. I'm a rich, nice man.
Rich, nice?
Yes, he have 5 car. Not one,
So you tell them
but
to come up
5.
here.
No, him come up here.
You should drive.
Not a Rolex.
Your man can have 5 car and you can't drive.
No, girl, I say me I come look for mommy.
So drive, come look for your
No,
mother.
no, rocky broke down lane, yeah. No,
You have to
no.
come straight up and say, you can just park down the road and walk up. Nothing wrong with that.
When I would have left the car on the road, me a plan for sleep here tonight. I would have left the car on the road.
Nothing wrong with that.
But you know, say you want an idiot.
Big one.
You want a real
Remember
man
say me and your
idiot.
friend, so me a big one, you a small
So,
one.
I say, me tell you about my man compared to my stomach. Because I hear about my stomach now. My stomach have 1 car. Yes, what kind of car?
Which car? Want either?
Yes.
Jesus.
A little cheap broke down car
then
there.
And a rich man.
And me say, like how mama they go about time and rich and have money for mama come over here in a hot clothes.
Where
I
come
want all tube jeans pants, it
where she
rip
come
up, it
from?
wash out, you know, ready.
Where she a come from?
Ah, man, yard.
What's
Hey, no,
that?
like a cheap blouse there.
Mm.
We buy it in a town for y'all. 200 or 300 dollars, she come up here, you know.
I lie her
With a
tail.
broke down, say,
I
what
lie
go
her tail.
a choke over go like she hype.
And so she's there with rich man?
Yeah, she
not
not
ready
flap
yet.
slippers.
She not ready yet. She not
She
ready
not
yet.
even choke.
She not ready yet.
I give her me $2,000.
$2,000. Your
I'm
mother
gonna
this
hype.
as bad as $2,000. Anytime I say I'm going to say 2,000 and I miss
Me send her
2,000.
a shop. She gonna make market.
Well,
and me give her 50,000.
anyhow, me see her when me go buy around, me I say miss 2,000.
No, me tell her if you go shop with my mother now.
No money, $2,000.
You have money?
I mean,
You don't even have man. Excuse me, come out of my yard.
me not have man for your money, me I work.
Go prove. But teacher, I don't know let her go.
Hey. Thank you, God. Thank you.
Charmin,
What happened?
come here, I want to talk to you. You see how ungrateful mother do you.
Have you got to talk
And
to-
you me and talk to him, Charmin.
Oh, Lord.
You ungrateful mother. Up here and me I come from, and me see Kayla. Kayla say, the other sister give you 2 grand and she, Kayla, give you $50,000. How funny?
Oh, I was just about to address you. But
Oh.
then say, if you box down mad people, no come out. And the mad people no get locked up. So
Me I call mad.
you must say
Are
mad.
you mad because you get 2 grand and from your daughter and you want to give you 50 grand and she, because are you mad and ungrateful? I have to do then something. You know, say you have to don't show favoritism though, when you have 2 pick or more. You know for show favoritism and you don't for pick side.
And that's why people will come out of family business.
I'm a friend, I'm go up there and she next to me. I have to be there to ask Kayla.
How
Kayla
long
just
you know,
spit it
Kayla?
out.
How long you know,
I must say me
Kayla?
and Kayla grew up together.
Okay. So how many times Kayla give you money?
Only for time.
Yeah, really?
Of course.
Okay, so she do you better than she do her own mother and
What you
sister.
mean by? What you mean?
Eh?
What you mean?
That's why me tell you, say people for come out of family business.
I say come out of
and
family
put
business.
your nose out of what don't concern you.
Oh, please.
Since you want come in a family business.
Yes.
Little girl.
Yes.
And secondly as well, remember who you address. Me a big woman to you.
Charmian, Kayla tell me say, your daughter give you 2 grand and she give you 50 grand. Ah yeah, cause Kayla will give you the 50 grand. So tell me now, who mad, me or you? You don't have no sense. You lick your brain. No.
You're idiot.
Oh.
You're really idiot.
Yeah,
little
idiot.
girl.
Yeah, idiot.
You know Kayla from una little girl. And you really believe that.
Of course.
If me ever get 5 cents from that little girl, we're grateful right now.
You sure?
Let me tell you something. Miss Smarter Massey. And Nosy Parker Martha Massey. Since you have to know. Brittany, the 2 daughters me have. Brittany come in me yard and give me 20,000. Me tell the one Kayla, she said 2,000. And me go shop, go buy shopping outside.
So why you tell
Kayla
that?
give me squad, Kayla come and look. And the fact you see Kayla from me yard, that's true. Kayla wait for cook food right now. So you're mad idiot. That's why me call you idiot. I mean, I dress you the way if you dress you. Cause if you box down mad people, and me I go jail. And if me not go jail for me want a picnic, who you for me to go jail for?
So Charmaine. So Kayla just come to me and I can't tell me all of that. So I'm not even ask Kayla nothing. Kayla just start spit it out like a true shit till.
Chalk no refuse. Chalkboard no refuse chalk. Paper no refuse ink.
You know, like me, I forgot I just Kayla then.
You address who you want for address and just remember, say the next time 2 I make 4. Know who me is and know who you is, You is a picnic to me. Me and you no know size. And me I go forget say you're mad woman next time.
Alright.
Know yourself. Hi, Miss Kayla. You me want to see. Me glad you're still there.
Me too, so me I go somewhere.
Why? How much money you give me today?
What you talk about?
How much money you give me today, putting in my hand today?
Me not understand what you talk about.
Neither me. You put no money in my hand today?
No,
You put no 50 grand in my hand today?
Me a talk about.
Your dry foot, dry head girlfriend. See me down the road and I cuss me, say she come up here and you tell her, say, Brittany give me $2,000 and you give me $50,000 and me I cuss you and she wanna cuss me, say, how me ungrateful. Where she get that from? Me no business in her real name. Where she get that from? Well, you.
Mommy, let me tell you the truth, that girl there want liar and she's not my friend. You can't believe it. Nigga, come on, tell me about you. But she say you up on the road with 3 man. 3 man. You are take me for this around out of the yard. So I don't know what you are talking about.
So tell me something. How she knows say Brittany give me $2,000 exactly if you never tell her so?
Brittany not have mouth.
Brittany know her like that. Brittany can't even stand her to talk to her like
Well,
that.
me and her never hold no money argument. The one argument me and her hold was when she said she see up on the road with 3 man and they get 3 man money.
But you must feather flock together, On our hair say queen. On our hair say queen. That's why my father tell me, say, from your conscience set you free, you hold your head up and go through. I'm in the business with the 2 of them.
Come on for that, man. Come on for that. Every day you come here upon the little about this and about that, man. Come on, fake, you know me ain't give you no money. So how she for count it? You know, say no sense.
How she know Brittany give me $2,000?
I mean, give you $2,000. No, Brittany give you $2,000, not
how
me.
she come up with the right money if you never tell her nothing?
You said Brittany give you $2,000, right? Bush have
so
ears.
You think.
What?
Go on.
Oh, so more than 2,000 Brittany give you.
No, go on.
You said 2,000 Brittany give you.
And she come tell me, say, my daughter give me 2,000.
Because baby Brittany tell her. Me not no friend.
Me born yesterday.
Me not say no sense. The girl, me tell the girl, tell me saying see out the road with 3 man. You see, I lie the girl that tell pa with mommy. Come on for that, man. Come on for that. Me,
you know me, I go cook.
Where your bike you come for cook?
Well, not much, you know, so 2,000 now spread far. So we have some franks and baked beans and things. So we have some flour inside.
So what is steak there?
With steak, dip on the cow.
I mean, when I bag for eat, I feel like my eyes them not work properly.
What you mean?
When are the bag for eat?
Where you can go buy steak for $2,000?
How go them that?
And a dinner you say you turn for?
No, sir.
Me rush and walk and come, sweat myself and come up the hill say cause you hungry.
Mommy, who go and eat that, mommy?
What you mean who gonna eat that?
Hello.
Like say you never grow up on that.
Listen to me, mommy. That I grew up me a big girl now. Me and my lobster, my shrimp, and my big high chest meal in my yard. And you want to go give me beef?
Oh, so you're really bad mind for true. You have lobster and beef and thing in your hair.
I'm a rich man.
He has tail batty by your hair too. Eh? And still won't come near me out.
What them
You still won't come near me out and
Mommy and me out. Man, what you saying? And all the sachets why not that? Who got you know what sachets signify?
2 for me and 2 for you.
And the 4 of them for you. You know what that? Nobody can see me eat no sachets and things. Say me a practice. See if you practice to impress somebody, don't harm me. Come in and I can't help you. Oh, so you better
lick your head. You drop and lick your head. Who this your clone come in my yard?
clown. What's clown?
This you used to beg me for and thief out of the pot. I know
No.
Come give me some of the lobster money then now. The lobster and beef and horse batty here money no.
Me no that. The best thing you can do. I look in the kitchen. You see me put on $1,000 for dry carried wet up. $1,000 me have can give you. Me no no money.
$1,000 US.
Yes. Jamaican dollars. But US.
So that no more yeah.
Me no money. $1,000 Jamaican, not US. Compare it to what you want US.
Try. How you make what? Me go check it before
Check
you
it, man. Check it. Check it. Man, I like good dirty girl. She can't chat in here and have to tell people your business. Acha, take one of them money too. Like that. She want money.
But Kayla,
Yeah?
when you say you put the money, me not see no money.
You know see it?
No, wait
Oh
there.
God, me forgot. Me left it in my yard. Me
That's why me not like deal with you know.
So you are going so far?
Can me spend the money before me reach into the kitchen?
You smell
And
it?
you know, say you never have no money for give me, man.
Well, me can't talk to you right now. Me go palm my me go my yard.
So you gotta bring the lobster money. And you
Yes.
You gotta
Go
bring
bring
the
back-
boyfriend for...
Yeah, bring back boyfriend, everything me go and bring back for you. Just sit down and wait for me. Soon come back.
Sit down and wait.
Yeah, man, later.
Alright, me for put on extra film too?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh God, yes.
Oi, how we do around there, so?
Oh, I'm in house.
The house.
Your mom not tell me I build a house.
Oh, me never know, sir. I just say, look,
Yeah, Your mom want done up here and then they done the next one run. So more than one of them still.
Well, that no look bad still. Because
Yeah.
around the community, my mother live.
Oh, around that too.
Yeah.
So you check her?
Yeah, me check her just a while ago. The money where they give me 20 grand. But it end up and give her because she never have nothing at she house.
Well, that would you always kind of hearted, but you shouldn't give her the whole like 20 grand. You should have
My mother
reserved
don't have
some.
nothing at all. She asked me if I can give her something to eat.
Yeah,
So just give her money then because I know so we have things up her yard to eat. And you always give me money, so.
yeah, but 10 grand could have whole lot. You know, because in time like this, remember, I try to finish the house, I tell her, this is the house I'm surprised you with. But you don't see it, I'm put it upstairs.
Well, so wait, a problem I have to give me money now?
No, man. Me have money stop, man. You can't see me be less a man.
No, me just ask you know, because basically, our you just a while ago make me ask.
No, man. Money there, man. Money still there enough. Cause it,
Yeah, no, man, take out
a
money.
bank me
Money,
a bank me oh.
You can make people know say I have money and something and them go want people with rubbing and you can't do
So you
something. No, me never eat nothing yet.
No, you know yet?
No, on this morning.
Oh, we got order to-go food. So me order some Chinese.
No want Chinese food.
Where you want?
Something else, but not that.
What about I can order you say no want no Chinese food, so we get some Jamaican food.
Yeah. Fast food no want though.
A fast food you run fast.
Oh.
Sometimes when you say fast food, you have to wait for it come like a cookie same way, so it's not really fast again.
When me know.
When food fast, as you go, you're supposed to get it. That's why I not really call it fast food, they call it lazy food. A lazy food, because it's not fast. What faster when you cook in your yard, because you don't cook on time.
Right. So, me not see the work man them. Then I work today.
No, I'm paying them and make them go on home, you know, cause
So where you are going now?
they go up a yard, but you can't go on up a yard before me still. They go up on the road.
Go do what?
I deal with some things
Okay.
and get it straightened out. So when they don't get it straightened out, I come up a yard and I send up the food. Leg and tie.
Leg and tie. Yeah, leg and tie good. Alright, if you not get that, I get breast. But I don't want no wing, none at all.
Alright, breast and leg.
Alright then.
Alright, take care, yeah, baby?
Alright, later. Me up a yard away from you.
Yeah, man. We just have to come off of it. Hold on, I'm soon talk to you. Hold on. Come here, Slimmers. Oh, you look good. Come on. You look hot. I like you. You thirsty? Come buy your juice, you know. You look
alright?
good. You look good, man. When I just buy your
You
juice.
alright?
Huh?
As if you're alright.
Yeah, man, I'm well alright.
Your eyes them at work.
Yes, I'm the big man around here and I control the whole neighborhood, you know.
Oh.
So you can buy yourself a juice.
Me don't want a little 2,000. Me don't want a little 200. Me don't want that money.
Many more where this come from.
Me like a 200 girl to you.
Let me teach you something. You see, if you collect $200 every day, and no savings that. When you collect
God,
$200 every day, no spending.
God,
Until you're old, you're rich.
God, see, I know me can't take on old people, you know.
With that.
Look for me good.
Me look for you.
Look for me from head to toe.
Me see you, that's why I call you over. You look good.
Yes, me look good. Me's a hot girl. Top class girl. Me's a hot girl.
Yes, me believe
Good
you.
looking girl.
Me believe
Sexy girl. Bump everything round the back.
Yeah.
Shape good.
Yeah, me believe you. for
For the
sure.
market, right?
Yes, so,
Good.
so that means, say, all right, hold on. I'm put add $100 more for you. These are 300 to you. You're nice.
Me don't want you.
Why?
You broke down. Your ear want do. You want to put on some properly clothes. You call it.
Yes, Abo.
Cover your boat. You boat dirty, man. You know if you see me, they have a BMW now and a Rolls Royce. You know the car there?
Rose rice.
Yes. Then car there.
You not even know where they call it. You see,
I don't give a damn.
you see, woman like Uno, a woman like Uno make man like we. This no.
This who?
You come and style me, you don't know me.
Me.
Eh?
You might talk about your little
You
$200.
talk about me crocs, right?
Yes. You little piece of cheap
I
crocs.
mean,
Your
look
dirty
work, I'm
crocs.
housework, me I come off.
Sure, man.
Me look arcade me a bill.
Me
And you talk about
Jesus.
me. Look at your shorts battery, your pants battery where you are. How you dirty. And you come try diss me.
Actually, I'm going to look for my mother.
Fix. So what does have to do with your mother?
Oh my God, dirty, she broke down.
You should have at least thank me for admire because nobody not admire no woman with
Mama.
big nose. No way in history.
You see, I that to black people like I honestly, true, you can't get me now. You go like you want to style me. No woman not admire no monkey man. Oh, so me tell you that. You're bright or out of order.
What of me are you? Which one are we favorite monkey?
Yo, clearly are you about me.
I sure know say.
Alright,
If me carry you go over the island,
alright.
over Panama,
Me realize see you come
over
for
the
me.
island, could you look at chicken to monkey then?
Me realize see you come for
No
me.
more favorite. To all your favorite monkey, I wouldn't even buy you for free. I
You
would.
couldn't buy me because me don't want you. Your mouth is a pipe of fish. You see, true, you can't get me. You want to come diss me now. You can't make me feel bad about myself. Me love my body. And me love my big nose.
Yeah.
You see my man?
Yeah, I
My man love my big nose. And my man look better than you. My man, he live in a big mansion. You know, small broke down house like yours where you could have around the sock. And you broke down shoes. My man just good. You're just like a trash. You're rubbish. You're bright. Not up and argue with them now. Who you smile telling people like, oh no. True, you can't get me. You want to come diss me. You know who me? You know who me? Hey, me come.
Titanic, all broke down chain, all bridge, over bridge you fit fine, no girl. You can't try diss me, You can't try diss me, you jag and nose everybody can hold it so, And then you can't try to diss me. You can't diss me older than you. You feel glad say man like me see you.
You just put me. You just tell me.
I know that. Try no.
You don't know yourself now.
Try.
You don't know yourself. That's
No
the man.
one. Oh God. Oh God. You feel a guy call. My God. Oh God.
What you do? Ah, yeah, next one.
How what happened?
From 11 this man, I guess you really then still a play a game.
Me no know about going for do be.
You couldn't go look at work or something.
For what? You know, sister, hard time now.
Anyways, me go hunt food.
Where
Let me get some food. Me I get all a new bag.
That's my favorite.
Yeah, man. You get a favorite. You have look rice round it.
Tin food.
Make a little bun for you, me a cheese.
Me tired of this tin food.
What could you do?
Tin food.
So what you want?
Every time I tin food, I can't buy something else.
Like what?
Piece of mixed parts, piece of pork, piece of goat.
The disrespect. You don't even work. You not do nothing for yourself. If you want better food, if you want chicken, you go out there and work and get chicken. I can't afford chicken.
So you never know, say me never did that work before you take me up.
No, you trick me. You tell me you have a big house. This is not big, this is just wall. One room and a bathroom. Tell me you have a big mansion, you have car. No, if you know say rent car.
B, relax man, talk loud up.
Me dey on the road while I go and man and look me, man and push out money give me. You not push out the money give me. And me this man can me know say me love you and me I come back home to you. Me shall pick him up. Cause it's a hurt me now. Me got to go hunt me cause something give you me you're ungrateful.
But B, you ever see nobody bake bean and bun?
No, we have little rice that we cook for last night. We can match up that with the baked bean, eat the bun me while you look about that.
So I make you can't look about it.
And me go look, you know how me get it? I teeth me teeth, you know. Oh, my mother yard, me go teeth.
Cook here, yeah, woman and me, man. Cook some
much,
food, me a play a game.
No, this serious.
What I'm gonna cook be?
And what you do?
Me dey play me game.
What me go put myself in a door, God? You just big and lazy, TB. You can't do something.
Be relax, man. So me no do things every night,
Make
man.
you play them wash.
Yeah, actually every night me no do something. What more you want me do?
That alone can't work. That alone cannot work. Me need money.
So you no go look at work or something?
So you say me at work? Why you not go work? You the money every day. I can't take this so much. Me I want something.
Just cook your food, yeah, man. Can't believe me turn the wrong way to backside. I say, come here, woman, you know. God, no.
Hello. Why you move so fast and not talk to yourself? You got money now?
Where's your
Big your money.
You don't know me, right?
Uh-huh.
And you just tap me hello. You not even say good afternoon or good evening.
Sorry.
Yeah, bigger money.
Sorry.
Listen to me. No bother with it. No bother with it. Come in and give my money. See, woman like Uno. Uno is a disrespect to the whole nation.
Oh, this is very
You
rich
can't
in
see a man and you don't know me. I beg me $200. I beg me a money. It don't make no sense.
You listen to yourself attack. Oh, this is very rich in this. Me, I beg you a money.
You know me? Yes or no?
Me not even know if you beg your money. Me just a look for you and beg your money.
And that's why most of the young girls missing in Jamaica. Because as you see a strange man that walk past, you beg them. And you know what happened? The man to follow them.
So you gonna make me miss him?
Me never say me. Me just try to show you how you could have get missed right now. Come could have said to yourself, oh, come over here so me get the money. You come over
Come, give me money.
Same damn thing. Same thing we just had talk about.
Yeah, give me money and I tell you hold up my time, you know.
How old are you?
19.
Whole heap of supermarket down the road, I look somebody for pack bag, I look somebody for walk. I can't go take all map and map flow. Burger King, I look workers.
bag.
Popeyes, I look workers down there, all of them. The time when you're there, I walk around and I beg, when you go by and juggle on the road. You're not too hard to juggle.
I just listen to you talk with the fact knowing that I am a teacher. So when you know what you talk
You're a
about,
teacher?
Of course.
Good, a long time I do and book up one teacher if you ask them a question because every time they take people pick the money and then teach them well. Since as you're a teacher, 40% out of 1,000.
You're not much teacher.
Take your backside, go on there, and you have big money. If you didn't know how to do your maths, you get a money. At two.
But me know if you count money.
What?
Me know if you count money.
You know if you count money?
Yeah.
Count money.
Take out the money, give me my count.
You go breathe the foot and go on here go. And next time a $400.
Never have to
yeah?
shame me so.
A $400 out of 1,000.
Thanks for
Learn
wasting
maths.
my time, because I think I get the money.
Teacher no fi only learn one subject. And waste government money.
Idiot.
When you take off idiot. You hold on one roll in one barrel. You see all the teachers them in Jamaica, they just want roll in one barrel and dash it because they could buy textbook. And we not use it. We not use it. But we are buy them, give we pitney and we pitney and writing at them. We don't come like a some bag of crosses.
Oh God, mother.
Mommy.
Kakafat, big smile and big bag.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, actually,
for me. And throw my underpants in there.
you could have never. But yeah, like a dirty clothes, you really bring come with me. Put your rank and chest high. And look for me, so. Me things are good to easy bring come with me, man. Me things are food and some of the lobster.
Lobster, mommy. You don't deserve lobster, you know.
No,
Anyway.
and they deserve comedy
So
in the
anyways.
world.
Titanic not come yet.
Me no know who you are called, so.
Giraffe. Long time.
Me no know who you are called, so.
Britney not come here yet. Come
What
give
you
the
want to see
money.
your sister for?
Me don't want to see her money. What she can come give me want to see. Not she. The money.
Like say she a go give you none.
No, she'll give you the money and you will give me the money and I give me the money.
And another thing, you try to stop my works the other day, you know.
Which one?
I come tell lie upon me with Britney and tell Britney say, me give you money.
But mommy,
Yeah,
you
pick
give
up
me
from
money.
this, she stop give me money.
They give me the money, mommy. If you're proud of it.
You're a real idiot sometime, you know. You're a real idiot
If I'm
sometime.
an idiot, use the bigger idiot because you produce the small idiot.
And me really bring you into the world and your daddy did give me money for that shoe and me say no. Oh God.
So look on you too.
Mommy.
See wash out the little dirty clothes there. Imagine when dash it on you.
Mommy.
Take your see there.
See, me even tell me so when me not there and say I deal with mommy, what is this? Dirty clothes?
And dirty her man, dirty clothes she bring for me, just fling him up and her.
Nah, nothing to do with you.
But she all yellow
What's all
Me
yellow
think
jars?
so bag of food
Which
she
yellow jars?
finally
If your
come.
scratch is black,
Like your face.
don't worry about my face.
Oh.
Man, naturally black and that beautiful. Don't worry about that. Listen to
Right.
me, man. You take a dirty clothes and go here, go wash it.
Me bring clothes can give you for wash Miss Hypey.
Don't
Miss
worry about-
2,000
Listen,
girl.
don't worry about 2,000 with.
Yeah, go here
What she
now.
talk
Here you. Tell mommy boy give mommy 20 grand. Mommy tell me say 2 gonna give her.
Mommy.
You know how she not lie this time, I gotta tell you the truth.
Mm-hmm.
Anyhow, me tell this leech any more than that. She would have robbed, raid and thing. You know, say, me tell her for true. Me tell her say $2,000 you give me.
But
Me
what-
test her. Hold on now. Me go buy, she said she'll stay for dinner. Me go buy Frank some 2 beans and 2 little things
You
to
never
catch up.
see them, girl.
Hold on. When me go round the corner, she send me round the back, so she leave money for me, like fool, go round the back and come back around. She said she gone. The beans gone, the Frank's gone, and she tell me how she ate lobster and thing in her backyard.
Mama,
and I rob
You
me.
even tell me say, you come on mommy yard called thief.
Thief what?
You can't bring $10 come give your mother, but you can't come thief from her account and bring her, on top of that, bring her dirty clothes there.
And her man dirty clothes
Dirty
to
clothes
Brittany.
them.
First of all, you see when me thief it. You hello, I know me thief. You could have daddy thief in his spirit of him national
Stop
dish that.
tell lie on the dead man.
Don't tell a lie for my father. My father then at the grave. Don't tell no lie for my
I
father.
saw me know
Your
you're
father, you
wicked.
want my father too.
And
Oh, come on, know where you
You sure?
Me can't take
run
in
the
a
girl
man.
out to your yard. Run the girl out to your
Then say
yard.
finger stinky can that she wear.
And
But
you
seriously,
You even tell me say this son up and argue with her. Run the girl out to your yard.
That's my girl, yeah, man.
You run her once.
see,
don't run her
you
twice.
raise everybody pressure now, you know. You raise
that
everybody
with you
pressure
now.
now.
So you love the sweets. When you see she come, you go and hype and you go and type like it. Cause you see she come money you like, then go and mash up for money you hear.
If you did look after your mother would have treat you better. I still
Preach.
treat you good and me still make
That's
sure it's
right.
alright.
That's
But
right.
you perplex my brain now, Kayla,
That's
man.
right.
And you don't even bring no bag of goods. You just bring a bag of dirty clothes, so. Before you come bring some of the lobster and the beef you say
First of all, you want lobster. You can't afford lobster.
No worry,
You
I said,
see?
she might can't afford it, but me can't afford it and she a go get it. Me a go interest and my mother get that.
Don't worry yourself about that.
So you turn a plan up, so you're...
I'm not plan up. If I did deal with
Can I
mommy
see you like sweet, you know?
listen, if I did deal with mommy good, I deal with you good, you know. Mother deal with
Me know
you
you deal
good.
with me good.
You know, I'm deal with you good, but you can't
Yeah, man,
thief
bye-bye.
from
Me not thief, me not thief no baked bean. Me not thief baked bean.
And me and you one in the house. And you send me for invisible money that never did there. And now as soon as we come back, she never want me looking at the bag. God, I've got to go now and get my lobster from my man.
Lobster.
Lobster and beef.
Mommy,
With our heart still.
Look on our ton Carmel. For you look on our ton Carmel. Ton Carmel, Kelly, cannot afford lobster. Lobster, Kayla? Come on, man, better than. If you're going to tell a better lie.
I lobster me and yam. What you know about me?
Bring your clothes and go to the laundry then.
I let me go and do. Come and let me and make you wash my clothes for free now. And pay for wash my clothes and make some type of way.
If I can't give mommy money, I pay, can't pay her.
Me can't give me that girl because she not take care of me. It was
Look,
ugly
you
like
raise
that,
my
but shit.
pressure. Oh God, baby, me not even feel good right now. Call me a sweat.
If I like him with a sign, I push out something like that.
Oh God, every day.
Sorry.
I'm glad for you though. Oh God.
Come on, the rain has come in the house.
It kind of feel bad.
Hey, listen to mama, she come back.
Some people ain't no money. Give them mother $2,000.
What are these?
Girl,
Listen, listen something to you before you talk. Stop right there, so. Me not listen, man. Remember, say you're a Kayla friend, not my friend, okay?
Right.
So when you see me, please don't see me. I'm not Kayla this.
But if me and them wide open and I think me I go see you. Although you're black. $2,000.
You look for me, I look for you.
Two we black, but you blacker.
Blacker.
Blacker, right. Blacker.
You know, I'm not gonna argue with you.
So girl, big and serious. You really look for your mother and give her $2,000 for true?
Girl, excuse me from me there.
You make your little sister out, do you?
Listen to me now, man. It makes sense. Excuse from which family. Can I tell you, say, Kayla tell you that? If I know Kayla, no Brittany me name.
I know Kayla alone. Everybody in the community talk about it.
Girl, shut up, you do not know nothing.
You make your little sister out, do you?
Don't worry yourself about that.
Rich man.
Don't worry yourself about that. What you give your mother?
My mother
At
dead.
least.
My mother dead. She get a good funeral.
Out of full pocket. Me sure
No, my
my
pocket.
yours.
My pocket come
Your
work.
pocket?
Yeah, me work. And like you, we have to depend on rich
Listen
man.
up, the work where you don't work on my people business.
Work
on
on
the
my,
community.
I am a teacher.
Teacher, stop
Right.
work and tell people that because you don't fit to be a teacher.
Alright, Monday morning.
Monday morning what?
Come down to school. You know we school me at time. I know what.
I don't go down to school to teach people and pick you for take man.
Teach
That's
people
hard because that's all you know for doing now.
I mean,
Take
teach
man.
you too.
Teach
But you
me.
take it without sense because you
Teach
take a rich
me.
man and not making you no money. Your man a drive tea that but you have money. Where money there? And a drive tea that want all
No worry about, listen, no worry about my man money. My man money and my money.
Kayla man a drive crown a year, man a drive tea that. You know no money. You look your sister out, do you? Bro, girl.
Sometimes when I see people and no sense, it makes sense to listen nothing to them, yeah, man. Trust me. Me and Kayla know the same thing. Me not gonna argue with you. Oi. What going?
So, why you know somebody else said what time
Because I say always there.
Oh, come here, try to get the house done, man. More your house done. So you can live lavish, you know? And then look
Right.
one thing can run up and down, because you have time to get those in.
What?
One dozen of them.
What's do so much, Pitney? You sick in your brain?
No, you have to start a football field, you have to start an entertainment field.
Something wrong with you.
Some of your artists from Michael
So where
Jackson.
they?
From Michael Jackson family. And enough
You know
of
what?
them get
And this me come about.
half of them out there are singer.
Listen to me now, man. I chat about Pitney. Me not chat about Pitney right now. Because Pitney can't help me right now.
What happened you know?
Just a while ago, me just stand up, right?
Uh-huh.
One of my sister friend them, one black girl we always a chat with her and laugh with her and something from ever since for a long time, years. The girl I go see
You
me.
really know your sister, no?
You don't know her, but me just tell her the story.
Uh-huh.
The girl I go see me and I shoot and I chat about her what? About
broke girl and one bag of Cinti, man a drive Tida, and have
Drive
money,
Tida.
and me not have no money and one bag of, and chat about me, give my mother $2,000. The other day, I go give mother $20,000. And that my sister walk and I tell people and I tell
That's why you
she.
let me know your sister so we can get to rock him 2 fists. You have sense. But you don't want to do that. You just want to do the opposite. I'm going to try to show you what I want.
Me cuss off.
Me say they argue with the girl because make she know so listen. Me and my sister know the same thing. You understand? You see, as long as me know say me right, me not argue with no girl. Me not have time for that.
Well, we understand. So, you alright differently. You sure nothing bother you? Anything you want to buy?
And that alone about me because me not like your foolishness. And my sister again.
Alright, more you happy. So, I'm
Sure.
going to send 30 grand. I'm more you happy.
30
Yeah, man.
Put 10 more funny now? Or 2?
I really
I'm
take
putting
place.
2 more funny. So, I'm send 32.
No.
What's that?
Put 20 more funny. Sorry about that. 20 million.
50.
50 grand not to you. So don't make you feel like, make you look so.
True. I'll be every money that you true. Be every money.
Okay,
Yeah, man.
come in.
Be every money. Yeah, man. Check it.
You said?
Yeah, I'm selling that. Be every money that man. Be every money that babes.
Oh.
Then let's that chump change, you know? Be every money.
You come in, thanks.
Be every money that. 50 grand money that man.
We don't see no money to you, so we know them a chat about.
Yeah,
And I chat about me man, I drive tea and he have money.
Right, them
And me nah no money. Me have money in my pocket now, which girl can chat to me.
Rose Rice Park up in the middle of Panis, you know. I mean, I'm a BMW, you know.
But they never show me them yet.
No, when the time come, you will see it. Not tell me I buy one nice BMW for you, babes. I'm pink one.
Wow.
Yes, wait, brand new 2027, you know.
Eh.
And 2027 now ready for coming in here, you know.
You know what? Nobody talk about it. Just make it a surprise.
Right, I mean, I'm building iPhone 20, more you first, Avi. Yes.
See how the powers there?
Yes. We call the company and say, yo, we need you to build an iPhone 20. My girl need it. She want to have it before everybody in Jamaica.
Wow.
And the man say,
Well, that not so bad.
yeah.
That's how I know I'm lucky enough to get this a mania.
Right.
Me know I'm lucky.
I say, yo, we know it's cheap, but we're going to 5 million to work for it.
5 million for my phone?
Yes. Now make sure them print you
Listen
tonight.
now. Make sure I get the receipt. Come on, one time I get them come on my face, I can use the receipt and box them across their face with it.
You know, you say.
That is
Anyway,
it.
when I go, nobody even watch. Sometimes I don't know if you're uncomfortable with the house, you know. But
No, the house alright.
Just a matter of time, you soon come in the wall, you know.
Right.
I just borrow a catching and the people them house. Cause me know I go up on the big house at town, come down and say watch this and me know one them TV, so you know worry about that. I go down, where they go?
Me just say I can look for you to tell her what I go on because you tell me like what I go on. And my sister and mother some way me not like. Me tell mother same time me girl come back in the yard, run her. Run the girl out of she yard.
Tomorrow evening, me look for your mother.
Tomorrow evening?
Yeah, man.
Alright then, no problem. Me have to carry gift for her because she love sweets, so just do right.
I want to get some cologne and some perfume.
Alright then.
Yeah.
I don't wait a minute, I go still, you know.
Hmm?
Me just walk with you then. Come on.
No, yeah.
So why you know want walk with me?
No, me have unfinished business to do, baby.
The way you walk out just a while ago. Alright, never mind. Left that. Me I go down here, so I go try money.
Alright, yeah. Pick up. Pick up something from Rennie. Sure,
Come
please.
go pick a friend. I know me not like the girl here already.
She have my charger. Let's collect my charger. Come in, left my phone over there charge. Let's pick it up.
Me tell me say you're in a business, you know, because every minute Renee this, Renee that.
Let's deal with them, man. Go on. Do. Pick up my charger.
Watch her, that look a black
Alright.
on yourself.
Nobody, hurry up, you know. Take your time.
What me hurry up for?
Watch it, yeah. Yeah, man.
What's that girl here?
Yeah.
We don't know promise her for.
No. I think, say, I kidnap him and stick up your down a gun pint, you know.
Girl, I'm a man. Why my man would I do that? Tell
your
me
man
now.
that?
Why my man would I do that?
Are you man?
Yes, I'm a millionaire man. Man, I have money. All the money when you see me have, you know the time I not work. I'm a man. I mind me. Just how I got man send me 50 grand. Look, take a look at it. Take a look. Take a good look. So when time I not run off on the mouth, so run off on the mouth good. Okay? And listen now, you see look a picky head friend we have? The look a black tutus we have? The friend there from years back then?
Yeah, Thais.
Tell her say, when she see me, no see me. Because the girl see me not too long. I come and chat about, oh, girl on the money, girl this, girl that. Make sure you know herself.
I'll make you and your man thump. It's a big place. I for over there, so.
My man a build it for me.
Oh.
He not finish yet, but when he finish, mommy a move in with me.
What on there?
So we're
You want a long platform, yeah?
Girl, what wrong? What's wrong? Man have money. This is nothing to him.
Oh
man have 3-story house where him alone live in idea Kingston right now, and he run come down here because he want about this
I'm proud of you. Proud of you. I'm also because my man have about a 20 room me have. I'm telling you, if rent out 18 and make me I'm staying at 2. Yeah, man.
And you still look so?
Look how.
Sorry, don't mean to say that. But
You say your man just send you 50 grand and you couldn't do your ear. You come argue with me about that with me.
You realize I just get the money? You talk about my superstar boy your crooks.
You say you been have the money, me dear.
Me been have the money. You don't need to change your style every single time.
Me like how your man a deal with you nice
I'm
and
supposed
proper. You sure say your money though?
Why you ask me that? My man always make sure I have money. He have money, of course.
Me like how the place look. Me like how my bill feel look good.
So what really your problem? Because where the ear drop right here? So because
ear drop where?
I drop myself
an iPhone
on me.
It's an iPhone but ear drop? Isn't that iPhone, baby love?
Okay. Talk
No, I was walking, coming out there and I see you done there with that man. So I think say I kidnap the man and try to kidnap you.
So if the man there kidnap me, why you not come help?
No, you see show me man me can't come help and big something like you. Cause you bigger than make him a kidnap you. You that what list?
Okay, goodbye.
Have a great
day, okay?
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.
I'll feel me, man. Him are the next. So this big and what listen and deal with nothing properly. It's a big house. It's a girl I get big house. And my man can't give me big house. You got this thing when me go up a yard. Watch. Big dirty what list one here. You know, see, you're really and truly big and what list for Trinity. I realizing, you know.
So every time you come at me. What this time?
Look by your house. Look your house look small. Eh? While ago I come from the road, I see my sister with her about her man. I build a big house. Big long house. And I give her 40,000 and give me even $10 to me. You see every day say I smoke. Eh? I can't make me cost off the money, man. And me could I get the man. It cost off the man say cause you.
No, I can't never go on with him. Go on with him.
And that I should I do it, I'm afraid. You feel like I'm afraid to be?
Me know you're not afraid.
You're not doing nothing. Every day you sit and smoke. You can't give me $1. You can't do me. You can't do nothing for me. Send me 40,000 on my account.
Where we get it from?
Here there. And man, I send my sister 50,000 in her account and you can send me 40. When I go finish your house and make your house look bigger and long.
What make you not go on to him and you can send you 40 and 50,000?
And that me go on do, can you take me afraid? I hate me go on do. I don't know me to come in my life. You just broke and worthless, man.
You're not too late, you know?
You're right. Up on the road, me I can't go left here, you broke self. Now me I do with you. So man, you take now to come out of the lane, man. Man, if me too late. Watch out, see me. Think you that come out of the lane. Alright.
Oh God, I'm tired.
Hello, nice sir. What go on? You alright?
You again?
Can't behave so, man. Can't behave so.
What happened? What happened?
My day, please. Apology for what me yesterday. I'm so sorry.
You're sorry?
Yeah. And to me like it when I go and say, you know, when I like people that saw me angle them.
Oh.
Yeah.
You know you hurt the feelings yesterday.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that, man. You're cute and that.
So why are you so calm today?
Yeah. No, because I lay with you, you know. Because I think about it, I sleep, and I think that I come out of the lane. I like you.
Oh, me ain't too long come out and go down and say me I come back and take up something over there, you know? But
you know still want me?
you like me?
Me like you. Me spend money. Look, you look nice.
I wait about me. Because I'm not white, yes, sir?
No. Me like all your joggers, all your nice big crocs, them they look nice. I say it big, like the crocs?
No.
Oh, it's small?
Yeah.
No worries. Me work with you. You know me work with you. You don't like me back. You know but want me?
It sounds strange though. Why have a son?
No, listen to me. I tell you. I explain. You see, I like people I treat them like them a shit. Cause they can hang me. I not like the little softy man.
Oh,
I like when I can put me in a place.
that's
you
a
know?
rough
Yes.
up. I'm see that work now. Yeah, when I something I start rough up your
So put my number in your phone.
Oh, your number. Alright.
Sit in there.
You're single?
Yes, me single.
Good, I like that.
568-2873. 568-2873.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what your name?
My name is Punchy. Punchy.
Punchy.
Yes.
Punchy. Yeah.
Yes.
Say your name.
Sexy Punchy. You can call me Sexy Punchy.
Oh, yeah, sexy Punchy.
Sexy Punchy.
Nice. So, you can cook?
Me can cook, wash, clean, everything. I like spend money for a good man. As long as I can perform and put in the work. We spend money.
I mean, they got you same boat, you know?
I say good.
I pay a gold medal and get anywhere me go, you know?
Okay, I like that.
Anywhere me get to perform and I pay a gold medal. Good. Award, top award.
Good, say get award done, fi done this or too.
Right now, I'm a single man. Me not no woman right now.
You sure?
Yeah, man, me not no woman.
Make sure now, any woman have if you left that, even if you are still alive.
Well, tell her past still, me kind of want mad woman still, you know. But me I take care of her, me give her big money and...
One long concubine.
She's tall, but she's not a concubine.
She's a concubine. But anyways, don't worry about she, worry about me, the right yourself. For me and for your time now. We're in action.
You're right.
And motion.
You're right.
Yes. So call my phone and text me.
Okay.
Take a look at time and go on home.
You're going over. I'm glad you're away from me still.
Yes.
And they accept your apology.
Yes, take the apology. So when we go link up?
Well, tomorrow I can get your Popeyes or...
Yeah, man, get me a Popeyes tomorrow, okay?
Or maybe some bun and cheese or...
No, not bun and cheese. I food me like the lobster and something there.
Oh, grilled lobster?
Yes. Shrimp.
No, you know you're talking.
Alright. Look up at my sister to boy want have rich man. Let me see a broke pocket man. To be broke like. The reason I called us this morning is because I want to talk to them. Like when you're in the house, anything I'm setting and sticking in your head, it's like it a fly through one of your ears and come out to the other. So I'm setting you now. I need some money. Yeah, but I need some money. And if you go look at work, you think you need a work?
Be a time do all of this, you know, be. You can't pressure me, you know. You know, say work hard to find. You know, see a hard time now.
Go and thief then.
So, I really that you want me to do?
Yes, I better you go thief. I better you go thief.
Just easy, but man. Things and times.
Fuck, man, you good?
I man, this year.
Yeah, man, I'm a nice, good up man, rich man. Man with big money and big house.
That's why I gave 50 and for your mother.
Yeah, I'm a rich man this year.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Tibi.
Tibi, alright. I am Thais.
Alright,
You're best friend from... Tell him now.
Yeah, from high school. And this I'm a rich man. Turn up my keys and be top man. Jesus, stand up, look I'm a rich man.
Tall.
Yeah, but like the tall man with the tall John.
But he maga too.
I what the problem? Maga man have it.
Oh, you
Like maga man, I need no. Let me find someone else.
Maga too.
My maga, but my money fat.
My money fat. Yeah, you're right, man. Continue to take care of Kayla and her mother.
So why you tap yourself for? No, anyways.
Me a pause and me see you say now and me say, alright, I go acknowledge your presence. And
Yeah, man. Now my man there go and chill out, get some cold breeze and talk about life.
Alright, go and dig up yourself, friend.
Yeah, bye-bye. Yeah, They need more money, Franny. More money? Alright.
So, Kayla, we are telling girls I'm rich, man. I'm not rich.
Me have to hype you up. Me have to hype up. Me can't remember the there is a broke pocket dog like you. Oh.
What, my better?
Me there you good.
Yeah, alright.
There you go and get some cool breeze.
So you man this?
No? You mad?
Mommy, I make Kayla trick you. You feel like Kayla out there with no man and a she man?
Me have friends. I'm a friend. You know see that?
Kayla, listen,
Mom.
you're not close to no man if I'm not your man.
And I'm a man this. Your sister man have look broke.
Man, me not hide it. Nah, I'm telling a lie.
Oh! If you ever open up your mouth in this man, maybe you have things out here. Maybe you have friends. And man, me man can't thump in your mouth, you know. Man, me man can't thump in your mouth.
Me not hide it.
So how much money
I'm
you
my
have?
woman this. Me not hide it. Me and him there.
Same thing me
Me
tell
not
her.
hide it.
How are you there?
So what you hiding for?
Oh, man, there.
I'm me
He's a
woman.
nice looking man. The only thing though, if you pull up your pants a little bit, man. Oh God,
You
they
not
not
go
look good.
intervene no man because I my business this.
Tell your mother say me your friend for. Me your friend.
How you broke? You not the money. Me know me this a broke pocket man like you.
So wait, I say a treat you man.
Like
You them
say
say
you
I'm a
have-
man.
I your man.
I'm a friend.
Argument done.
You talk about my man. Why you a man there?
No worry yourself about
You have
my
man?
man. Of course me have a man.
You man look broke don't know what.
No worry yourself about that. He might look broke down but he having cash.
My man having cash.
Oh, so you man now?
I'm a man. I'm a friend.
You just, you know, when you lie, little girl, you have to know how to lie. You just, or what you do herself, make sure you're afraid of you. Afraid if you admits you.
Me no know.
Woman
not
like a them
wrong.
man if you want.
Nothing wrong. So tell me something, young man. What kind of necklace that there? You know the science business.
No, auntie. No. Wrong somebody. It's not me.
Oh,
Shaman.
I mean, I see nothing wrong with him.
There's nothing wrong with him. He not had no money.
And money make the
So
world
just
go
because
round.
you not no money, you not admit to your man.
Yes, I'm a little broke pocket man. See me here. Right here, so. This is my man. What is
So
the
when
problem?
you're boy, you have a lobster for go and go eat and shrimp and all of the stuff.
Me have
You
lobster. Me have a lobster. The lobster me feed upon.
She provide for me and she feed me and mind me.
So wait, you can't provide for man, but
Hold
you
on.
can't provide for your mother.
Hold on, what you mean?
Nice.
What you mean?
She provide for me.
I know, so maybe
She feed me. She clothe me.
No.
Tell me about the man clone
Me
them.
not hear right.
From the day me born, me never mind a man yet. Never.
And I say I have none to walk with you, to walk with your mother.
Don't worry yourself about that. Me and my man no walk, drive.
Hold on, little bit,
Crazy.
baby.
Mommy.
You're mine, man.
Yes, I'm my man.
I am spickled dry, spickled down my mouth.
You alright, make man mind you.
What?
So hold on, little bit, sir. What shall I feed you?
Be a tin food. Be a bean and sachets. Be a
I'm Frank.
and Franks.
So, man, you teach me food, go get.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
And you have
Yes.
mouth. And I tell everybody,
come,
say,
people, let me buy
you
one.
give money, how much thousand? You give her money, forgive me?
No.
Me want know how. You lying, little girl. You lying, your bad mind of hell.
Wicked.
Wait, what the problem? We don't know. I want to stop yourself. Why
Wait,
want to
like-
stop yourself? Me no want to stop
Stop the
yourself.
fast
God
baby business.
always make me rock
Yeah,
right
next one,
way.
you know. Yeah, next one come and make it. They come go like them more than me. You look broke. So me no me do want broke man like I you.
Try no say you can't get
You broke man no.
Then go on. What a
Yo,
Go on.
Thank you.
Come in now, you
Thank
have a
you.
mother
Stop
and
go on to
father.
hype it up. Not because don't make them boots up you. Cause when me over here then I gallant so. Don't make them boots you.
Yeah, take it.
Oh.
Your daughter. But surely you look like a nice, respectable
You
man.
can't get something better
can't-
than this.
Aye.
Not true. I don't know what me I do with her. Be a disrespect and insult and
Remember
things
say
to
we
her.
there and I have nothing. If you don't feed you don't eat. So stop the nice. Okay. Long concubine girl. What the problem with you?
Don't worry yourself about that. You notice you my mother walk?
I don't continue walk.
You
Me I
can't
bring
tell
her
me
go get
what to do.
something nice.
I don't care, continue walk.
You can't tell me what to do, you know.
Mommy,
And me birth you, not the other way around.
and you burn me and you don't do nothing more for me. Bye-bye now.
Sir, if you have little respect for yourself and
Like
you have
this.
little sense, find a woman, not a tramp. Me give
Who
birth
you call tramp?
but
Who you call tramp all
Mommy,
day?
I never hear her say that
any
thing.
woman
Never.
thief food from their mother.
Because
Hungry
man.
belly. Figure feed man. You must know.
Aye,
True,
sir.
I'm telling
Go on now. Go on. I'm embarrassment to your cause for me. If you act like you am, me tell say you're not my man, you can't make them know say you're broke and papa, right? And you talk out of me feed you. Eh? You have
Really
sense?
your mother your teeth from come feed me?
Yeah, go on, I never tell her the day say your teeth it.
But not for your mother.
You make me say, but the old woman there, she love the another one more. Can't matter with the man. Come go in a yard. I can't want to make people embarrassed.
Oh God. Good on for the people that walk here, man. All this all later, man. I have to change this pants here, no, man. Every day. With the pants are pants, yeah.
Good morning.
Huh?
Tell good
Morning. Are you again? Morning.
You alright?
Huh?
You come on, question, alright?
Yeah, man, me alright, man. So far.
You look happy this morning, you eat? You drink tea too?
Mm-hmm.
You know, what is the name again? You know, Miss Pam.
Pam?
Uh-huh.
Me only know one book named Ryan Pam. Me know really.
You know, Sally?
Sally, no. Me only know Silly.
Oh, sir.
Oh.
So, dear, you alright? You sure you're alright?
Me did have some cash, some extra cash. What me? Where's it now? Talk to me. Me ain't penetrator. Where's it gone?
You alright to drink tea or something?
Yeah, why you ask so much question? Me no must alright. Look at me good. Me look like me a dead.
You can't beg $1,000.
Jesus, please, I never see a smoke without fire yet. How you feel beg me $1,000? Eh? When you just beg us to see me?
The last time I did that, you diss me. So this time, make sure I come good and respectful.
Alright, me like it sound of that. You must see.
Oi! Anna that. Take out the money and give her. Oh, shit.
Me ain't no give
Take
her
out the money and give her. No, I
I like me, I like
the money I get on a bed.
I like
I
it.
want suit of clothes I have. From yesterday. Listen, I this I get to see me and fast with me yesterday.
Oh.
You know the same soup, the same piece of clothes.
Are
Green
you-
dress.
You too.
Yes.
And she can't cuss me over the money.
Oh, so you. I'm going to defend my friend Kayla. Defend which friend, Kayla? Kayla tell me the deeds. So I go like listen, man, me no want you beg him the money.
Where you going so with
No, me I go see if you. No, take it out and give her.
No, I like
No, take it out and give her, no, man.
I want a lighter. A lighter.
Like, where do the lighter?
She a beg a light.
Not you, hey. They give her nothing. I could even $5. I could have a piece of stone on the ground and give her nothing.
Oh.
How you find her? What you mean by? What you mean by? What you mean by? How is where else you come from? I'm a man this.
Thing you.
Anything for me, I for me man, I for me too. So if you take something from me, I take something from. I'm sure say no one nothing from me.
Personally come beg you, no, cause you give your mother $2,000. I'm afraid of
So where they run go?
Now you look for me and give me $5.
Why you are what for your pot a spoil? Go change your clothes.
Go son, go be it,
Change
man.
your clothes, man.
Me wonder what's the mess up on the way coming, you know.
Time for no, they just like.
Me a walk nearer to the set, me a reach. Yo! What you give girl money for? You feel like say me no see? And you chat about lighter?
Me not give her no money. A lighter, she beg a light.
Beg a light. No, you give her a light. Yeah, they go give her a light. Not true. Mommy, sorry if I make you see that, mommy. Sorry. Mommy, this is my boyfriend. The man. I'm a boyfriend this year.
mother is-
Yes, she's my mother.
Nice
Yeah,
to
you
meet
and
you,
Mauricio.
ma'am. Nice.
Me didn't
You're
wonder
looking,
where I deal
I see
with
where
the
the
man,
beauty
so-
come from. You're looking so fine and neat.
Thank you.
Yeah,
You.
man.
Finally get to meet one of my son-in-law. Eh?
One of your...
I 2 daughters I have.
Oh, you're frightened me. Oh, God.
Oh no!
You're
You have my good daughter.
Oh, you're
I'm a
frightened.
good daughter you have.
Come on, I say finally meet one of my honey line. I'm in mind now. That's a two-man shit.
No, me not have two man.
To make sure
You
you're
don't
not a
have 2
man.
Exactly. Tell him again.
I'm a loyal guy.
You know, say you just cheat for me, don't you give girl something that is a
No.
part of cheating.
If you get a light, if you light,
It is a part of
she
cheating.
come to me and say, good morning, sir. I kind of under one stress because my boyfriend coming at me and I want a light to burn some weed. So I say, alright, then give me.
Oh, you go help her. You go help
Then you
her.
want a light off stress off her head one for
Her
this.
forgot ask her man for light and the man put her through stress, not you. I hear the man put her, I hear the man the breeder. I hear the man the breeder.
How?
Me I ask you because she go through stress and you want to try help her relieve the stress. So basically, you breed her.
Mommy, hear me out. Right? Because sometimes she don't listen. You know.
Don't touch me.
If you come here and beg me a light of light and I dip in my pocket and I take out it and your husband come here and say no and attack it, what did I tell your husband say?
Well, her head hot, you know. But she not fly off without reasons. So
Exactly.
from you not touch my picnic, me not going.
No, I'm not
And you know, say first,
Two
man, see me go and say, do mommy, me never did one go and say, no.
Two of me love it,
you.
two of me love
That's
a
why I'm
daughter.
frightened.
Two of me love a daughter, me I build her house because she said me have to build it house
Oh,
first before me pregnant her. But in the process, I want to give your grandchild. I want to start before the house done.
So you gotta put ring pan her first. You miss a step.
You miss a spot,
miss a
yes. Tell him again.
No,
And
mommy.
you know
Ring
why?
before picnic.
Too much man. Give the world till the belly come.
They're
then
gone.
they fly off them faster than bolt.
True.
I only bolt alone fast. Me
No,
fast.
man fast.
No.
You know, say you direct, you know.
When
I
the
would
breeder,
like to see
listen
the
up.
ring on my daughter hand first before grandchild.
But mommy, listen,
No,
you get me an engagement ring, but the thing is that you never know the size of my finger. So, you know, like you need to
Right.
something there.
So hold on, engage.
Yeah, man, from the pop.
But I don't know, engage, a promise ring.
Hold on,
Yeah,
you
from the
forget a
popcorn.
slap and now
Yes.
just now you tell
Yeah.
me.
Mommy.
And welcome to the family, my
Yeah.
son. And now you just tell me.
Mommy never
Yeah.
remember.
You never remember something like that?
Me didn't tell about me just never ready. Me just put it there.
You see when we got to the restaurant, me I got order lobster just for teach you and listen. Oh, you can have that big news and not tell me,
Ah,
baby.
yeah, pay for it.
That's
Mommy,
why me I got order the lobster.
Oh, yeah, pay
Don't
for it.
use the money and pay for it.
Yeah.
No, she's not gonna me pay for it. The money you give me, don't use and pay for it.
Or you take your mother
Oh, yeah, you-
and your missus out
Yeah.
and you pay for we. This
I'm
is
more-
the getting to know and the planning stage. Coming into the family.
Right. Me need seafood boil along with I think me need 6 egg. Okay, you know I love egg, right?
You're lucky see me other daughter in the day. Charge you.
No, she wouldn't invited mommy.
She would have yam you out.
Let me say this. I'm planning to take all the family out, right? All the family to the biggest and expensive hotel here in
But
Jamaica.
we just want to have
We just
a
want
lunch
to eat
now.
now. You can do that after, no problem.
I'm
Oh,
going
the belly
to
a run
attend
now.
to your daughter house that I'm building. So you can't go now. So I'm planning to take you all to a big expensive hotel so you can spend a month there, all inclusive. You eat, drink, you drink to your doom.
Okay.
You don't come out for the property, you just eat and marry.
So I can live like tourists and foreigner.
You live
Mommy,
more than tourist and
of
family. You're
course.
going to live.
What?
You're going to live like you live there. You're going in a wonderland. You ever hear about wonderland?
Yeah, I don't know.
You
We
have
understand now. We understand. Yeah.
So remember, so we say we are gonna process the baby from tonight.
What?
Eh? Me not, remember saying
You know,
that day, you know, me no want to hear
May I bring mommy go get something to eat? She have
Me know
as
she's
much
a big
stress
woman,
from there.
but me bless or curse with a vivid imagination. You see me no want to picture my daughter like that. So,
All right, so
me see at home. I don't. It's not man to chat to the girl there again. No, me have
she have
things.
bad news.
no, man, me are blind for them.
Little bit. She not no good person here.
Okay, mommy. Boy, poor me. If you feed them pan lobster, you must be mad at and a people place me a work pan. You must be mad. Work, you come.
No like a dirty style, man. You embarrassing for walk with your man, TB.
Yeah, hard for you. Everybody you want to go around and I tell say, yo.
Me just have to do say yeah, me man, say yeah, me friend. No, then tell him go and sit down and chat about it. Say me something.
Me know your man friend.
Yeah, me man free, but something if you don't keep your mouth and tell lie. You remember see you broke and you know no money, you can't mind me and then go Sunday. And my sister have big rich man. And you broke and pauperize. Tell her about you. I say your damn was big like a naval one. Tell her your man. But I said don't say nothing to your mouth up there and just say you're my friend. You up there you talk off your mouth. And then, you know the next thing you do when you up there?
What?
My message you say, remember say me you count about go on if I want go on. I make the hype up you up there and I boot up you.
So every day I go cuss about this thing over and over.
Yes, for your change. You can't go look at work or something to be. You don't feel like you want to work. You don't feel like you're qualified enough for your work. Eh? Tell me now.
You the work.
Yes. If me never look at work, all you eat.
Thief, you're the thief.
It feed you, no. Don't it feed you. You don't have something at night time, you go to bed hungry at night time?
No.
Okay, you have a close to your body, don't it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we don't want frost special, you get it right?
Yeah.
Me have a work, you don't got none. You forget a big top work now.
And me and man and you a woman and you for the work.
Oh, so me and man in a relationship then?
No, me and man, you a woman and you for go work. Me
You
keep
say me
my
say,
yard and
no.
easy back.
You see, I want to go walk this man. You know,
Bomba. Watch my sister, man. And my sister rich man that.
Oh, your sister,
Yes.
man.
Me and you, brother, yeah, my brother. Pretend some brother. So if I pretend some brother, me get one look money, you don't have to go hungry. You get something near my lobster, me feed you pan. So pretend as my brother, you hear?
Alright.
Make sure. Hello, honey, what going on? You alright?
All is well.
Yeah, how's with you? Me want to start with my brother.
Oh, your brother?
Yeah, meet my brother.
Me feel what do.
Yeah,
Everything
man.
complexion different.
Yeah, different.
Well, I see your nose and so.
Yeah, talk about that. We're not talking about that now.
So I go on.
Me there, you see you good?
So know what you're reason about.
Where is about life? I mean, I tell him, boss, say, yeah, my man, I'm finally find a good man I know.
Seriously?
Yes, a man with money.
Like that man. Like his son of that. So your brother approve of me.
Yes, he went to say, if you never
man.
approve, you never run a long time, he approve of it. So,
So what problem do you want to
Yeah.
know about yourself?
we order so town pass say we can't find nobody for bigger money, you know.
Okay, money.
Me need a little money to put food on the table. No food up a yard last night, me not eat.
You know, from last night, you know,
Yeah.
eat. Oh,
For last night, me not eat no food. Me hungry bad.
shit.
I can't give me a money.
No, so, oh God, that's alright. So how much money you need?
You can't give me a 40 grand.
I'm not sure about that currency.
A 40 grand?
And that's when I have left in my wallet. There I go on town to buy something.
Alright, if
draw
you
some
can't go
money.
on, you feel
But
healthy.
you can link me later and give more money.
Yeah, later I go link and get more money. Don't worry about
So
it.
you can just get some food, put it on the house so you know if you really live on the road I wonder when
Right.
you get food.
Yeah.
But you can't tell a brother saying if you wear them chain because them chain they look like a somebody with a scam.
Yeah, man, take off them chain, them, man.
Or the work science and Mr. Chin have only for work down there still.
Yeah, can get okay, a supermarket. Yeah, for sure, put in 2 talk for him, because he need that work, you know.
Can get
He
him.
big and lazy, he need that work.
I can't just work for me house. Me have to
Yeah,
work down there, me give
all
you
our
work.
house there, immobility, you know.
Can mix concrete and cap bucket.
Money, man, this.
So
Look at this. This is what you're supposed to be giving. This. This.
what do you mean
Money.
by that?
No, you never working, can't give woman no money.
You woman? Oh, you live with me sorry if you don't want to live with still.
Me tell you.
Because in this time, a young man, if you have a woman, you have to feed them else they will cheat by you.
Right.
Don't give your bun right in front of you.
Good.
And you can't do nothing
Nothing at all.
because you don't have it.
Right.
So, man like we know, we no business to cheat, you know. Because we just spend the money upon them and that's it. We no business what they want.
Right.
They want plenty man that have them good luck.
That's why I'm glad to say, yeah, my man. But be, I talk too long and I'm hungry bad. Bye-bye.
Alright.
Yes.
Now go up the road. So,
Yeah. Bye-bye.
you have my number, right?
Yeah, man, I have a number. I call you and then go on.
And I'm going to tell you what you mean. I make it time too long, do you know?
Yeah.
Me can't, in the evening, me half limit.
Okay, when I make time too long. See how much money? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, man, hold on, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18,000. You could have gone better about this nice.
So
How long want your hand for now? How?
So
Is that hurt you? What share? No, me can't argue it now. Later me get money out tight. Cause me go boss up on my sister them right now, say me have money. But say you not give me no money now, so me have to boss up on them.
so you do things.
How me do things? Tell me how me do things, Timmy. How me do things?
After me pick up for you,
Eh.
and you get the money, you don't want to give me nothing.
Me they go give you, me I go over me sister yard. Me I go over mommy, go show off say me have money. Me say just embarrass me up, me say no. No worry yourself, see all man a big house where so later me I go cock up in it. And me in this, me not left you out.
Yo, make sure.
Later me give $1,000. Go on up in a yard, but after back me later me give you money.
$1,000.
Yeah. I joke me that make body lobster. You can't manage lobster. Lobster fatter than you. Go on up.
Sanja.
Oh boy.
Alright, man.
You know, so me get a dream last night.
So,
My dream say, me go at the beach and big flying fish. I jump up out of the water, so. Big flying fish.
so yeah, Tracy. Mommy, no bother with it.
I like how the fish them a fly. And my daughter a fly high. You know, see me, I think about it and me think, say, at 2025 now, you know, soon 26. You know, if you put ring palm finger before you breathe, you know.
God. Mommy, all I need to do is just get to the point.
All right. Me feel safe to breathe for the man. Me like him. And ancestors feel so too. 'Cause as me meet him, them dream is swallow a fish.
Mommy, listen, it's not like me never dare think about that. Me, I think about that, yes. But listen, man, listen.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Me think me I go do it.
Yes.
But
Mm-hmm. What the butt be? You have ready-made babysitter, you know. Where the butt
never
there?
mind. Me think me I go do it because, you know, if me do it, me think you would have more push out effort to deal with your place also. So
Yes, man, because my grandbaby can't have posh house. And then when he come look for him, what me I go be now?
me in the fear
Nana.
good while and he might treat me good and everything. He never show me no bad energy or anything like that. So I think I right time for you.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me just somebody want to rush things.
No, you're
or
right.
things, but-
You're right. But we see from me dream the fish them and plenty. Me feel said them I say as soon and very soon.
Maybe all tonight. No, maybe all tonight because I thought time now for me get a picnic for trainer man. What me I wait pan? Me now wait until me old.
Exactly. You want to enjoy the youth and make the baby grow with you.
Exactly.
You can go park and run up and down with him.
Me I go do it, mommy. Me I say to him tonight because me know say him I go over the moon one time I say. Him been want it, but I just made it a whole out.
What you did a whole on for?
Mommy, because me just never ready.
Well, you ready
make
now.
sure say I know my boyfriend first before me say alright, then me can make him become a baby father.
That's what I love with you, you know. You do things right and you stop and think. When my old cells now work properly, you think for me.
Right.
But me happy for that. Get up, come hug me. Get up, come hug the grandmother. You have to talk these things into existence, you know. I think I would want to be sexy grandmother.
Yeah.
Or cutie grandmother. I don't want to know old granny name. Not for call me granny.
So you want to pick me for call you?
Me forgot to think of something. Because my name have unique, you know.
Listen up. Me call your mommy the baby as a grandma. So easy that you like it or not and you have to work with.
Grandma kind of old.
Mommy, it's not old. It's just a name. You understand?
Me not care. We gonna be a grandmother.
When my sister go 7 times, she find out. Say,
Hey!
oops.
Hey! And you know how she bad mind you for a long time. And that you see if you drop it before she.
And there's a cousin now coming because she bad mind bad.
And she, me wouldn't mind, but she have a brain pala, you know. But she what?
What list like what? Me what list when me have money?
Girl, excuse me.
Like the lobster and the beef. Where you teeth me.
How was she thief that from?
What about thief? Me left look all dirty boy pan that me find a new man quick and fast.
Cockafat!
Quick
It's
and
a go rain.
fast.
As blue as the sky be it a go rain.
So what on there?
Hold on, you're not really thief it and no blood money.
No, a new man me find rich man.
So
And
what
me
happened to
build
the-
me all house.
What happened to the maga man?
Me left that trash there. You want to find some money? What on money? Put it in your pocket.
Congrats, at least.
Thank you, me pick me
Me
before you.
can't say, you know, give me something.
Gotcha.
How much she
Alright.
gave me? Let me see
No
it.
count it. Let's go. Let's go, money. No count it. If I count it, it might disappear.
At least.
If
you
we
give
take
me
it out, she'll
something.
take it back.
Hold on, find this here.
So what this for?
Buy yourself a Colgate. Can you tell you see me a little talk and you better kick? So buy yourself a Colgate.
Why you have to
So weird.
spoil the good mood, man?
So wait, I disrespect. You know what? I don't want this. Hold
Me
this.
no business. If
Me
you
don't
take
want
you.
it.
Hold on it, man.
Look how you come. Me take
More
it.
money.
You
Look
take it,
how
but me
you
don't
come
want
with
it.
the good news and go spoil it, man.
That's such a disrespect when you
All
talk about
right.
money.
Listen to
Turn
that,
it
listen
round.
to
Me don't
that.
want the argument.
Mommy, me used to money. $1,000 is nothing to me.
Well, buy a Colgate then.
Me a work for
Hey,
that for my
done it,
man.
man. Done it now. Me don't want the
Have
argument.
yeah, myself a new man.
Eh?
I'm going to make you meet him. I'm
Okay.
building one big mansion.
Now hold on.
Ready,
Me
I pass
grateful
that,
and
you know.
everything.
Ready, I
But-
pass that.
That's what.
If you never hear some man wanna build me a house, you know a man build
Me
me a
never
house.
tell my man to build me a house. He saying going to give me a house. Never ask him for it. Okay.
Yappings.
Okay.
So me have a man now. So now me have money. You can't style me. You can't diss me.
Me not diss you like that.
Oh, yeah,
Me
no.
just want you to do better. If you did
Exactly.
hear me properly, you would have hear me say, you're full of brains. Eh? But the thing that made me ball the most, you not use it. Your head full of sense and you not use it.
Don't lip in my head. My head that hurt me. I don't feel good. I feel sick.
Eh, and you have so much money and feel sick.
The little time I walk home and I say, Brittany, I feel sick.
Stop it, man. Stop it.
My
Mommy.
parents are come down.
If I dem a something me come here yard for, and it make no sense.
You don't make no sense with you, better you go on.
No,
Come
no.
my yard, come look for me. Understand?
No. This
don't
is
know
the...
that.
Listen, mommy. Every time I come up here yard, I disrespect me get.
Disrespect.
From this.
From this.
Every time I come here yard,
Every
disrespect.
time I come
Kayla, me breed shallow, come in and want to do it.
What you want to do?
Just because me no hold you and give you one rotted lick for this long time, don't mean so me forget how to do it, you know?
Tell her,
Me lick
mommy.
your backside, you know?
Mommy.
Oh,
Can tell you this. Me a 18.
me the business.
Me a big gal.
Me will
Live
live
in
no
a house
big
with
man,
man.
much less big
You can't put your hand
girl.
for me. If you ever slap me, that's...
You're still a teenager. You hear her name teen.
I don't give a
Me not done the argument, man. Me no want the argument. Look how God bless we.
Right.
God bless we.
Don't
Come
worry
with the
yourself.
difference.
Me I go home right now. Cook yourself. More about what carrot for dinner later. Buy you some lobster. Show you real lobster look like. A real dinner look like.
Wow.
Yes, so I go and show you say I have it long time.
Whatever
I
is.
told me they want to know 2 colors. Me thump out a road with TB, you know. I plan it all, plan it together, you know. 2 months if you did real life, you did fake.
You ever know me for fake? Whatever is on my mind come out of my mouth.
Okay.
So what you see is what you get, whether
Well,
you
me
like
go
it
to my
or
yard.
not.
So go and sponsor
Thank
the money.
you.
More money if you come. Tomorrow me get you 100,000. Don't worry yourself.
Thank
Bye.
you.
But I stay here.
I hope it cheer you up now.
Yeah, man. I hope you don't stay and chat me with that. There's something there over there.
Stop it
You
now,
know, bye,
man.
mommy love. You know, see that?
My money catch her.
Stop it.
Hey. Mommy?
Backside. Where she get the money from? My daughter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
$6,000?
You take 4.
No,
me
mommy.
good.
No, you
take 4.
Mommy, listen now.
Pecky.
I have money. Listen
Me
now.
know, but you not
need-
have it from me.
Mommy, you keep
Make me get me blessing, no? Make me get me blessing.
anything you want, you get from she, me no want it.
And no, she money no more, and my money now.
I hear
And
money.
from my money,
That's the thing, and that's why you have to keep it because I hear money. Me have money, me have food a yard. You need the money, mommy. No make sake of when she a say make you go do all of this.
no,
just keep
man,
your
but you
money.
always give me.
Yes, me always. That no
Let me
mean
get
say,
my
but-
blessing
Mommy,
now.
you have me in your belly for 9 months. You take care of me from me small until me big. And my time now for return back all of that to you. Keep the money, me no want it.
You're gonna make me cry now.
Cool.
Thank you. You're a good picnic. I love you.
Mommy, just
Oh, God. Thank you.
come go and say I can drink some water. Come on.
Thank you. Oh, God bless you.
Go on.
Come on, take and pick one.
Oh,
I'm so
Lord.
glad you come.
Huh?
There you good.
Yeah, so far.
Go link your boy something.
Remember, so you spend all that money already?
Yeah, make shopping, make a big market.
Wow, that's wonderful. A woman like you deserve a man like me, you know. And you want me a plan now. You see, the house me a bill, graduate.
I lie.
That's about years.
Yeah,
I've
give
been
me.
tell her, yeah, remember me tell her
my
to get a
God,
house.
thank you.
So that's a years.
Oh, God.
Fear that. Nobody can
All
take
right.
you tight.
You say, oh, yeah, work and you talk. You know, we do something.
That yeah, you know what a man need. Because when a man gets satisfied, a man will give you the world.
Right. So, yeah, we'll go over there now.
Huh?
I'll go over there now.
Yeah, but we have to do it quick. Because me have some maid that come. And we don't want them come hear the night.
If it's
and
true, yeah, I made over there. I say, your house big. Where your house there?
Huh?
Where they?
No, what me I go know, it's not my official house. It's just one I'm bridging board house and me I help him build.
Oh, that old broke the one there with no rooftop.
No worry, we don't watch that man. I talk about Brooklyn. I don't hit that man. I thought we don't know Jamaican. I don't see things overseas, you know. This is no normal place.
You're sure you're not no man? You're not no man?
Sure.
That me you want.
Single and loyal. You me want and you me a Billy also.
Alright. Come.
Huh?
I feel like me carry over there, man.
All you up here?
Yeah, man, I wait take this thing for.
Alright.
You want if you can manage me, you come.
Okay, no problem.
Yes.
What a world. Yes, oh God. When I tell you, you know, you're better than all the girls you ever talk to.
Yes.
I like when I'm with the funny, I'm like, who.
You like it?
Yes.
It's sweet, yo.
Yes.
Don't worry yourself, you will get more.
About who yet?
My brother.
Oh, me last.
Stop being nice, man, my brother. No matter make what happen over there, so happen right here, so you better stop him out.
What happened over this with your brother?
Ain't proud out.
Oh.
You have a sickness, you have a illness, he's sick.
Hey, we love your sister now. God no. Your sister man feel young.
Yes.
I was 29 now, me 25. I feel young. I say, yeah, 25
Alright, baby, alright. No matter talk about him, I'm brother, you need to tell him about what happened. You need to tell him about what happened.
Why? That position there.
Yep, yeah, man, you need to talk about that right, I saw.
But go now. Alright, you want now? See, like how your brother, and you say your brother want to work and thing.
Yeah.
I go and sum up some money for you, and now start him off with a business. Where you
Good.
want?
What kind of business you want?
Anything me I get me take tell him.
Anything you might get him, we take
You
it.
will run bike taxi?
Yes,
buy my
yes,
bike.
you run by taxi, alright.
I'm buying a bike. What kind
Yes.
of special bike? They are
In like Cobra.
Cobra. 150, 200, 250.
250.
Oh,
Big bag, go
250.
on, bye-bye.
Alright, so take care. Take
Yeah.
care, you know.
Yeah, man, I'm the best sister, man.
Yeah, I tell her, I did go over here, but I go down the road, go do it.
Alright.
Feel tired though.
Sister.
We come with them, sister.
So you have me confused. Me don't know if
What's your problem?
what is for all of this for.
What mean about all of this, sir?
You know, say the said thing where they reach me right now. You go reach her back.
Where? I mean, I'm money, the man can't burn me. This is what me I say. This is the reason why on a man in Jamaica get born. You don't want to have woman, you don't want to do nothing. You can't pay for the woman here, you can't do one damn thing. So you know, some people get born without the cheese. You get born with cheese, juice, you get Cobra, special bike. You get money, you don't have to work, you just lie down now. I'ma feed you. You need to do nothing like first place, so that's how you get born. So take your born. You don't have no money, and you want a woman.
I can't live them a life, yeah.
Oh my.
Can't live them a life.
And I like I can't leave because you know, I have no money and me and mine, so like I can leave. So I'm sorry for you. And me I spend the money. Make up your mind. You want to leave where you're going to stay. You don't want the Cobra. And this I my mama said no, man will give me big house, big mansion. And this I have to do for big house and big mansion. I have to lay down. I have to work it. It's a lot of work me doing over there while I'm going. A lot of work. Not if you no perform so in a bed. So listen to me. We're going to get a big house. We're going to have money. And go and start off with a business. Happy with yourself, man. Happy with yourself. You know, say you me want and you me love. We can't go on, so. Better this way 2 away. Come on, we'll go over, man. Come on, man. Yeah, behave so like you don't know say me want you. Hear this? Where are you, sir?
Huh?
Huh?
No, but I Western, you know, come around after you, you know,
Oh. What
The
over
line-
there, sir? You know over here, sir.
but yeah, me I wait for the people them to come in. We not like, you know me is a money man, right? We not like staying in the crowd.
So you can give me your money?
No, relax, man, you soon get money, man. Just relax, man. When you go on like in a relationship for money, at 2 weeks now, and you still they don't for money same way. You
Alright,
can't
alright.
change.
I'm watching you. Say, alright, eat everything.
What you want to do, don't you do?
Oh, you know,
That
say,
one, no. You
I
have
mean-
me.
sister invite me out, and the first she invite me out, she normally invite me out.
Well, that's one.
She and my mother, but they have big news to tell me.
So we can't know your sister.
No worry about it, I'll meet her in the longer run.
When?
In the near future. I'm not telling yet.
Near future.
Yes, near future.
But over 2 weeks, now we are trying to cover 2 weeks.
Oh, yeah, do you want my sister?
No?
Okay.
You never say that?
Stop talking about every time you talk about my sister. And she not relevant right now. Is she relevant right here, right now?
No, just you alone, baby.
Okay.
And
So, what, and what?
they have planned to give you the whole luxury life where you want.
Yes, me like that.
What me say?
Remember what my brother Tiff make you get things.
Right, someone put you in our hotel and eat all day.
Right. But me go walk and now go look for me. My sister, cause they say they have big news to tell me. Me have big news to tell them, so me have big news to tell you, but later.
Oh,
Alright, so later, give me a hug.
all right. Later, yeah?
Yeah,
Take
bye-bye.
care.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, boy.
Oh, see him there.
Yeah, I'm feeling. You trying to wear something better? Help you guys.
No, man.
Oh, God.
Hello.
Sorry, man, you know that me away from one and choose this area if you have lunch.
Because more pizza. I up there around
What more other place? Who could I get pizza other place?
No, for them one taste better.
I don't like them place, yeah, man.
It's nice round there. And you have good seating area and everything. Upstairs,
cool
downstairs.
Oh, upstairs, right?
Yeah.
Oh, we think of the downstairs.
Oh, you man.
No, we can't go that way.
Why?
Why? See people
Hello.
that go that way.
I'm brave. Me see crocodile around, I'm afraid of crocodile. Me not go around it.
Crocodile.
Yes!
I found a Black River with it.
One woman run a while ago and say, sir, no go around the crocodile around. I'm say, whoa.
Are you stand up here, sir?
We make sure we stand up and I look. No matter look around there. We not walk that way. There's no other entrance there, so.
One day around there, sir.
Oh, good. So we not walk that side there.
Alright, then come on then.
Crocodile.
Yes, crocodile.
Doesn't make no sense, say that.
No.
Yeah, man,
I'm people that
crocodile.
go around there. Oh, boy. This look nice. Where's the other box? Stuff on?
Hmm?
The other box stuff on?
Yeah, but why me can't heat yet? Well, why the extra juice?
No, because my sister come and I want to look presentable. Even though me and her are not really good like that. But
Come finally I meet your sister.
yeah,
Wonderful. But I
she's so rich, man.
want to know your sister, you know.
Yes, real family.
Oh, I like your family time, you know.
Just hope she behave herself.
Exactly.
True.
Because she vulgar and brawling and can't bother herself.
So, more really hear the good news, so me no mind.
When my sister come, then we hear the good news.
So, I really...
Well, announce it when everybody can hear.
Oh, and your mother alright and everything.
Yeah, mama.
So, mommy, you don't know the good news.
We were that surprised, you know.
You don't know the good news.
No, she not even tell me.
I'm so no.
We never know
No,
if we keep secrets up.
Me not like the blind spot, especially when you come on to a beautiful lady and a beautiful, nice mother-in-law. You know?
You'll be kept.
Yes! No upscale, you know? That's what I mean.
See my sister here. It took me a while to reach. I don't miss it. You could have found me curious. Sister, this where you going to? Come on, my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend?
Boyfriend, where you move so?
What do you
I'm very hungry.
Nice to meet you. Come on, shake me hand. Shake the hand. Shake it. Nice to meet you.
Nice. I see, on the favor. I shot me, come here, look on, and I say, if you... Oh, oh, I see the resemble.
Well, basically, I'm here to announce something, but
Yes.
the thing to eat first because we're not going to stomach this for empty stomach.
Okay.
Don't
Man,
know.
you here?
We wait long enough, man.
So why am I here?
Long time me I wait. Me I think I'm first, man.
Isn't it normally ladies first?
Exactly. Oh, wow.
When you come on to spending my money, me first.
I say we say I can deal with daughter.
The daughter is special.
Okay.
So,
What a good news. We can just eat at least a slice and then we can. Wow, this is too much pepper.
why good news?
Alright.
Come. I love good news, you see.
Well, guys, basically, what I want to say is that I'm pregnant.
Wonderful. Marvelous.
Yes, mommy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hello. Me have news too.
Hmm?
I have news too.
Wow, I'm happy to hear that.
Me pregnant too. Yeah, me pregnant.
Now's not the time for you to walk around.
Okay, look around time. True. Me didn't want to tell you, but you say I good news make you go first, you're bigger, so you go first in everything.
So the man will see you left, I'm real?
Yes, the new man I'm there with her now. That breed me. The one that
You pregnant for true or you just a say?
I swear for your life, mommy, I'm pregnant.
Oh,
I'm pregnant for true. I'm pregnant. Me pregnant.
Congratulations.
Yes. Me pregnant.
Wow, it no rain, but it
You know excited for me?
Me never so many excited here,
I'm
but
glad you're pregnant. So it's all baby gonna be best friend. And I'm gonna be the same age.
wow.
Yeah.
No grandchild and then 2 grandchildren. How me bless her?
I want to you.
oh,
Hmm?
I want to you. Yes,
Me
Are you frightened you're gonna be a daddy?
listen,
me just sad emotional. I'm gonna be a daddy.
Yes.
but from my sister,
Daddy.
you keep her.
With the S.
What do you mean that? They mean daddy with the S.
You must have me done since I never asked him. What S mean?
Me not
Yeah,
like this.
general, you know.
Me not like this. God no. Somebody need to explain what go on right
Yeah.
now.
Come on, man. Let's talk about some fun joke and relax.
Yeah.
Let's talk about something else.
So, what on the one? Boy, that was alright. That full level.
Okay, if you garbage, I know.
Just stuff. We just throw it into the bin. Wherever the bin there.
No, can just fuck up your prayer in bin with so.
Yeah, do it yourself.
That's why he's a good man, you know. Very good one.
You have to get used to doing that now. You have to start thinking for 2.
The baby a kick.
Already?
A good question. About Superman.
That's the
I
reason
feel-
I look for
No wonder I feel so sick for the other day. No wonder I feel so sick.
So you got doctor already?
Mommy, me take a pregnancy test.
Oh, so you don't know how far along.
Pregnancy
Yes,
test
no,
can
no.
lie, you know. Sometimes they tell lie.
Why
We never
sometimes
know
you're so
that.
bad mind?
It is not bad mind. I
It
just
is
the
bad
truth.
mind.
I the truth.
Me take 5 of them. The 5 of them cannot tell lie.
What do you mean by
No, listen, no family, you know. Not for the one, so. Babes, relax, man.
Oh, say pick up for me.
No, listen, about your poor
I
little...
don't want to talk
Come
about
on,
that.
we're having a nice
Listen
dinner.
now,
We had
already.
a...
Her name
Just
is
throw it away.
Brittany.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
I know that. She's my woman. I know that. I have to know my woman, yeah.
Oh, what do you know?
You know what, mommy? Get up, let's go.
No, relax.
No, man, if I want my sister so bad, so I'm gonna talk.
No, you're mad.
Fuck one. Mommy,
What happened?
what happened? Me not see why my pick up fear.
With what?
I was...
You feel your bad mind.
All right, excuse me, I'm a family. Go on. Go on, give us a minute.
Mommy, come on.
Let's go.
Give us...
Mommy,
Well, I
this
do.
blood disrespect. Let him one yesterday, mommy. Come on.
Oh,
Come
so
on.
one time I call you,
Both
nobody
family.
get up.
Come on,
Everybody
mommy.
go up.
Come on,
Come
both
just
family. Come on, you two, both
Look
family.
how it was a nice dinner.
Both family. Come on, you two.
Come. Come on, baby, relax now.
What your problem?
What you go on, so?
Imagine, we did there, you pick up for my sister. If you want her, go take her
You
there.
know what, I first me I see her.
Push pa in there.
Then I walk her come. Listen, I tell you, say, I don't really pick me up pick up here. I just I said something nice.
Say something nice.
For interest in your family.
Oh. I know say me and her can't agree. I'm my side for the pan. I am my man.
Yes, I'm
Come
the
on,
pan.
for your side.
Yes, I'm the
No bother with the
You
argument.
see, you make sure talk to me though. Are you cause this, you know? If I never you, are you cause all of
Just
this?
with your sister, I know say your sister like that. And yeah, I first me I see her. You understand, mommy?
All right. Remember, see you're pregnant, you know? Remember, see the 2 are not
Yes,
pregnant, so no
pregnant.
can't get upset. Me no want.
Listen, man, make sure go to her baby father whatsoever with fear problem them.
Well, me know one baby father. And now me for meet your baby
You want to know
father.
my baby father?
meet
No,
your
mommy,
boyfriend now.
mommy.
When would you like to meet him?
Mommy, well, I'm here to talk to you. That not necessary.
No,
right
she talk to her daughter. Oh, you're reaching her daughter.
Of course,
No,
you have
but-
to know him.
Then wait
We have a,
Me a talk, you don't talk.
Yeah,
Talk to
hide.
she.
Yeah, hide
Say
your
what?
boyfriend for
No,
so long.
man, me not
And that
hide him.
was all well and good when it's fun. But you see now your breed, me have to know who him be.
Say
Like
what
how
make
we know
him know.
Britney man.
I said, no, this
Yeah,
not right
man, you're
this
the
moment.
Phone him. But
I don't need to phone
phone
him. I don't need to phone him in the right just
Where?
what?
Where?
You come here, so.
See me so.
A Britney
Yes.
baby father that. Where your baby father there?
What she a talk about?
So my right name is not Punchy, it's Kayla. Hi.
What she a talk about?
What she talk about?
You're dumb. What she a talk about?
Talk up.
Listen to my man, no baby.
Start argument
man,
to my daughters.
I am man alone.
What she talk?
And I'm a baby
Mommy,
daddy.
I saw me know that she ready and everything what me have, she want it. I just always say
You
go.
go with your sister.
You know to know.
You didn't know?
You can so.
I never know say your sister.
That simply means you're true. Your brother.
That means you
Your
bring my daughter bun.
So your brother.
My daughter bun then.
Mommy.
With daughter.
Why don't you abuse my baby daddy? Oh man, the baby. Don't matter abuse him and hurt it.
Oh, you have to go get rid of that because
Yeah,
I might be my father this.
Man, listen.
I mean I get rid of me picnic.
Me not get rid of me. Me a wait for the house. Me not get rid of this.
She left you there so me away from the house too.
He tell me say the house is mine. And when me that lucky if he tell me say he not have no woman, which me know so not talk in this one, yo.
Okay.
I mean it too. So you was
Sometimes I don't look girl.
No.
You don't tell girl say have no woman.
man in the
Jones.
It is joke.
You never drunk, get it sober and make me a no.
Sober.
No, me the Jones.
Oh, so you treat me. Oh, so you treat me.
So hold on. How me I can talk to her?
So you
What
treat
you
me.
know? You is uncle and father and uncle. What you be
No,
uncle?
mommy.
You're uncle now. But say me never
So all for everything.
Come on me
I just
yard.
me get.
No, we can come to a
Come to what? What can you get up on the belly? What can you
You
do?
bring the two down to them.
Mommy,
Come if you know it in my
let me
sister.
explain
She
how
tell me
this
say she
all
name
happened,
Punchy.
right? Every day, Miss Appetite, she Britney come in and she go on like, she bother me, she go on bossy, and she go on, like she have everything. So one day, me a walk. Now me see she and the man, so, but me a say, but me don't know the man there look me, this him yesterday. Me ask her, say, for her man, she say, yes, her man and her man have money. So me go, look the man.
You're
And tell the man,
wicked.
say, me name Punchy.
You're wicked.
You're wicked too. You're wicked because you fall fit. How we say me and you them? Me and you them. Me and you them. Hey, go look her. Not you. Give me a beat off her, girl. I want to see you. Not you. I want to know what's going on.
Hey, you come break my family. You come break my family.
Give me the man.
Hey, you just
Give me the man. Give me the man.
which man? It is a what list dog.
Like, beat him. Family him. Beat him.
Family.
Stop on.
All you two. Go on to the
I said, me know you want to worry now.
yeah.
Everything gonna have mommy, she want it.
How you bad mind so?
I life. And she want to dash with the belly coming out of my
Me tell you this.
Oh.
Me not dash with no belly cause the money what him have.
Wait, pan.
My house.
No, your house, my
What
house.
chance see who a go get
Did
it?
what, yo? The man wanna give your bun.
Don't worry yourself, but at least.
You got teeth him. Me don't know if y'all see juice in my right.
Mommy, you know what? Mommy, you know what?
Make we walk.
Me a go. You see all this?
Let's touch it. The crosses flick away. The crosses make you sexy.
Yeah, but remember that I left with the man in a dirty light.
Oh God. You miss Britney now. I don't know when me. Caca fart.
Hi, mommy.
You have to look good. How which breeze bring you in here? Never mind that, me glad to see you.
Oh, squeeze up
God.
my belly.
Oh God, sit down, you alright?
Yes, mommy, alright. The reason why you not see me so long because based on everything what go on, I just did need a breeze out. I have to run off.
I know, baby girl, me don't know what kind of cross is liquid
Mommy,
with
I
this
got that
one.
girl, mommy. How she be be if you call herself my sister? And look, if you go do that.
Me know. But you have
She
to
really go take me man, mommy, I turn around and breathe him.
Me don't know.
And take your rub in on my face. You know that feel?
Oh God, babe. No, me can't even begin to say me know how that feel. All me can say is me day I feel.
Imagine no, I don't know if I say this.
Baby.
2 cousins, same father.
Me don't even know how it a go cause
It's like you just
uncle or
dirty.
uncle or me don't know. It's too confusing to think about. More times.
Who you call dirty black girl?
So you never tell me say this said there, mommy?
So what else me for there?
You love call people black, can look at yourself. Black is beauty.
Me know me beautiful, thank you.
I'm not done with the fight, man.
Nobody not fight with a big mongrel, yeah. What fight with she?
Listen, mom, me never come here for this. Me tell you honest truth. Me come here to see you and talk to you.
See if we can sort it out.
And imagine me just come back, mommy, like this me come back to.
Alright, mommy, we're gonna start it out. Sister to sister. Big people to big people, right? We're gonna start
sister,
it out. Okay.
yes.
Me think of a dash for the belly.
So when you feel like me if you dash
Really?
Listen, not anybody if you dash your belly, so are you. Because
No.
remember, see, my man a breed for.
Hello. If underneath it clean and tight and wonderful, me odom breed. If your fullness did clean up properly and tight and that grippy man properly, it would go straight.
No,
me
son,
tell
no,
you.
no.
And
Say something to
the
you.
man tell me, say, underneath me tighter than for you.
Listen, man, a man go always say things. Man a man. You see the reason why the man is straight because he just cannot satisfy. You feel like
you're not good.
So you feel like if he need that with you before me, you feel like he wanna stray also.
No.
I remember seeing
Yes,
about the
when
day
you
off.
want
Me don't want to hear them the things.
He not go nowhere.
You be from morning?
Yes.
Then what kind of scent that I come from
The
under
toilet
you?
pit below.
All right.
The
Don't
man.
the argument,
And
man.
under
Remember,
your
so
soul.
remember.
Yes, under.
Hey, don't the argument. Don't the argument. Maybe so not breed. Maybe so not breed. Maybe so not baby in the belly.
Me no business in it, mommy. I don't really care.
So you not care about your baby?
care about-
No,
baby
she
not
don't
fear,
care.
baby.
She do not care. She want to kill me, pitney mommy. Breed
No.
for 9 man, rub it in my face, and all of this
That
done run I
wrong.
want.
That wrong. No matter what, that wrong.
Are you wrong?
Oh God.
Oh God.
Mommy, me I
You
come
come
left
here,
for your
yes, she a come. You
place.
could lock up a leg and pop off your neck.
Me couldn't do that with you. Me never did that with
Okay.
neither one. No.
Okay.
Okay.
Bigger.
Me never did that
Lock
with
up your leg
neither.
and crick off your neck.
Hold on,
So mommy,
hold
you're
on.
gonna have my first child. Remember, say I was my first love. Remember that. Me stick a pin, no girl. I was mommy first love. I'm the bigger one. You just come after.
Okay, watch out now.
You get what left?
Stop it, Nance.
Remember, say you get what
Stop it,
left?
Nance. Watch
What
out now.
left you get?
Watch out now, darling. Stick a pin. You was the man first love. And you get done.
All right, done it.
Me I come up and you go collect money from my baby daddy. So make sure you know that the man was meant to share. Talk to this, you know. Cause it's not shame. If I did me, to come back a road. You
Are you not shame? So girl, yeah.
Sometimes me
She whore
her, my
Mommy.
daughter, you know.
She whore, girl, whore. Take money till you take his sister, man.
Cha-cha.
Man sharp and
And
your
she
man, she
know
know what
it.
she would have come after too.
She know it. Sometimes me shame. Me don't know what to do out a road when people see me.
Mommy,
and know.
stop stress out yourself because of that the girlie. Oh, you should have shaved if she come back in your house after how she deal with you.
Let me tell you something. Fingers stinky can't dash you away.
Mommy.
Fingers stinky can't dash you away. The two of us still belong to me no
If she
matter
come
what.
back here, me not stay here. Me stay with you until she come back, me and leave. Me not depend where she depend. Me not go argue nor fight with nobody. Because me know my rights and me know me stand for. Me not have time for chit chat with no girl.
Try no say if him have money for give her, him have money for give him picnic too.
That's a must. She have to walk down the man for get
All
money.
if you have to take him to go court and take him for court and PPS and whatever not. If him have money for pay for hers, make sure say him have money for pay for yours.
Mommy, he soon call my phone and say, come for your money. She have to run down the man. Me not have to do that.
All right, try no because it's not easy. Remember, say me do it by my own. It's not easy. But me will support you know as much as I can because me is no mother no matter what me love you know. All I can say is me sorry I experienced this. God no.
It's alright, mommy. You can't go and go lie down. 'Cause
All
it
right.
was a long day.
All right, remember your pressure here.
Alright. And me go doctor and they say baby healthy.
Excellent. Concentrate on the good news and that me love.
Alright.
When we get this piece of work from, Lord, help. Oh boy. I have a friend in Georgia. Best friend I've ever had.
Afternoon, miss.
Afternoon, baby. All right.
Yes. You know a man round here named Popeye? That
Who
he might
you
build one
to?
house up somewhere. Me no know.
Who you to, Popeye?
I'm my uncle.
Oh, never know him have niece. Yeah, man. Me know one man named Popeye, and he might build a house, big house around stuff for my daughter.
Popeye have money?
What do you mean, Popeye have money? Think say you so long. Think say you say him is your uncle, and you don't know him have money.
Popeye now no money.
Little girl, don't go around go spread rumors. Popeye have money, can breed my 2 daughters, and him a build house, and him a go put them in. And my grand pickney them in now. So Popeye have money, and him have money like that.
Where's a while ago? Where's a while ago? Where's a while ago?
You gone deaf in young age.
Me didn't hear that part there. Where's a while
Me
ago?
say, Popeye, your uncle, if you're sure him is your uncle? How him is your uncle?
I'm a mother brother. Yes. Where you say? Where you say a while ago?
Popeye, me no same have money. And breed my 2 daughters them.
You should have shamed the same breed your 2 daughters them.
Little girl, you know who you talk to. And you come with little information. Eh? Little wasp. You come in like the wasp them that sting before them learn how to make the honey. Eh?
Miss, I know that me come and suffer. There's an accent if you know where Popeye there.
Well, little do you know, I know something you don't know. So try find someone else for ask, and my tip, learn some manners when you're asking somebody for something. Sure.
What a woman. Baby daddy! Baby daddy!
What?
Come on, take some man.
Tapping eyes, man. Tapping eyes.
What?
When you short up on the road.
Oh, come here, Carlo.
You have to tap him, man. We don't like them stop them, man. And you're going to check me. You're silent for them place, man.
I never know that. I want me where they boss over there.
Which boss? I'm here the owner. When you talk about boss?
No, me like the workers then, that me mean.
Oh,
I never want to have a woman over there.
No, you're mad. Yeah, no. We gotta look for no woman over there. See, they are pay me just don't pay the staff, them, baby.
Anyway, I let me come, and let me really come, boy.
Yeah.
The baby hungry.
Already? That the pit there move. You know your belly already?
It can swim around.
Swim around?
Yeah, he hungry.
And what kind of baby that's swim around?
Any type of baby you produce out of you little twilly lily, and that in me.
How are the backside you tell me, say? Huh? How? Me not understand this.
I don't understand. Why do you not understand? Say me hungry. The baby hungry.
Hold it there. Hello? Baby, me there, man. Yeah.
Hang up that. No shame me no phone. Hang up that.
Me soon come check you.
Hang up that. So you really call the phone? Me tell her say me a come here to you know.
Are you brawling so?
Cause you my baby daddy me not hide
You
it.
know to me and I there.
Me no
I
know.
know your sister, you trick me.
Me no busy. I never
And tell
trick
me boy your
you.
name Punchy.
If you did loyal, you wouldn't there with me. If underneath I did good, you would come to me.
Me loyal.
Where?
Me loyal with the ED. Me loyal. Yeah, so we don't know what you talk about.
But anyways, when you gonna start work for the place? Because me no see her budge, me no see her reach now, and the baby soon come out. And as me said before, the baby hungry. So pop out the money and give me money now this year.
No, relax now. That's how you approach. And that's how you approach me.
When you don't approach me from my front, you never approach nicely. You approach on this, me how me feel about monkey, and how me feel about this, and how me feel about that. I say you approach me. Approach out the money now, me hungry.
And you first diss me, you know. When you see me the first time, you think to me it was one of them dirty foot, broke foot boy there. When I had nothing.
No, be for me like
But-
you. When you too like it's soft,
My
money, me like
sister
bad.
tell me, say, I true, she tell her, say, me have money, and me a man, and me a give her money, for finance her mother. That's why she tell me about the baked bean when you teeth and the sachets, you know. Take care, go give man. And the same boy, when me ask you about it, tell me say, are your brother?
It's my brother. I'm a brother. I'm a sweep on your life. I'm a brother.
I rebuke that back to your life. You're bright. Sweep on for life.
You can't let me in my head.
You are idiot.
You can't let me in my head.
How you will sweep on my life? Who take care of the picnic when you're gone?
But you just look at it in my head.
You're wicked, man. You shouldn't be a sister.
It's not wickedness. This is what I mean. I did see you. I did like you a long time. A bad mind, my sister bad mind.
No. How dare you go tell your sister, oh, man, you're something good than fear. How you do that?
Because I fear something good down the street.
No. I know so strange start. A man don't stray because the front do not good. A man stray because I don't know dirty ways on the house.
Well, my ways them clean, that's why you come at me. And as me I said before, you stray for the topic.
No.
And the money me come about.
Don't talk about that, because see, that's all you love, man, for
And the
money.
baby hungry. The baby is hungry.
Me not give you 5,000 yesterday.
That's a yesterday. Today is a new day, a new beginning. New money.
So 5,000 couldn't serve you for 4 days.
No, honey, no.
You couldn't buy some flour and some tin mackerel and
No,
some oil.
honey, no. Honey, where you going so far, honey? You know, say you don't want the baby come out fresh and nice and fat up.
Alright, here now. Check me tomorrow. Me just pay the people them some money, me not have nothing left.
So where you going with this money and all that?
No, it empty. A bank, me I go
Me see
tomorrow
it
again. It empty, man, it empty.
You know, see, I mean,
No, listen, man.
I'm telling you, see, any ever take a little margaras, go up on my yard, you will see between me
No,
and you.
me not go up there.
Any ever go up there,
Me not go up
you
there.
go and see what take place, like a black girl there.
Me not
They
go
chop
up
me, chop me in my face, you know.
Me not go up there.
Today she go like she want to beat out your baby out of my belly.
Allah, you they tell.
Yes! She grab me up and pull me here and I let me in my belly.
Alright, no worries.
I'm going to get us.
Listen, man, shut your mouth and go on back in and go do what you're doing. You know.
Him.
Take up your bucket and deal with what you deal with right, you know, and talk. Go on, baby. Me talk to you. Me talk to you. Go on.
When I work,
Just go on, man, yeah.
Alright.
We chill.
What's that about?
No, man, I want to look come as that, boss. It's a common as that.
You come and work, you there to say.
No, shh. Bossy. Me say it's a common as. She a try for thief 2 cement. And me grab her and give her 2 slap.
Who me call the police?
No, you don't need to call the police. Me take it away. A packety girl, a packety, you know, in a bag, you know.
The cement?
My God, that's a girl and then thief. That's why if you pay me more, bossy, because right now, bossy want a loan.
Oh, me fi pay more. How long me tell you run the damn fence right there so? So
No,
me can lock up the place.
no, listen.
You tap.
Listen, no. Bossy, me go want your van key for borrow. My granny sick, and I want to drive her out. Make she be the last time she now want. Yes, make she be the last
Wait
time.
for you, not say no car.
Alright, bossy. Yes, bossy.
No go for it, you know.
No, man, no, go for it, bossy. Alright, bossy. Oh boy, come in, baby, come in. Come in.
Uncle, you may look for.
Where you have to run that so?
Eh?
I wish man you have run that so little girl.
Listen to me, listen
Where you
to
do
me.
all that?
Listen to me now. Are you me they look for because
So what, me last? Do I look like I last? Me don't want nobody walk and look for me.
Mommy said me if you come look for you because of time to pay a bill, you know.
Tell your mummy, say, you don't see me.
What?
I'm not a fact. Me not get no pay neither.
Uncle at 3 months now, you don't you say, you know. And me all I hear down the road a while ago about oh, you breed 2 sister. Okay. What kind of dirty style then there? Not even say 2 different women.
Oh.
You do it. You're too low, gay. You figure, listen, you figure say you don't have a proper house down so. You figure say you don't have a proper house down so.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. You have to have respect to big people. Shut up your mouth. Shut up. Have respect and you will live longer.
Me know say me a go live long. Anyways, You feel glad say mommy give you a mirror put on your doorway. So when you walk come in, you can see how low.
Who tell you about breed to sister? Who the backside tell you that?
I see one Rasta lady down road and I ask him if he know you. And he must say, Papa.
Oh shit.
And boy, you the build house. You have money? You broke like.
And this me. And this me, girl. Eh? And this me. You see when I hold it, you wait. I'm going to find out your mama. You wait. Right, I can't this man, I can't that. And they look at them and this me. Oh.
Welcome, my friend.
Hey, you're gonna relax.
I look like your belly full, so.
I breed, which fool?
What?
I breed.
Sorry, I breed, me don't know that.
Actually, you're not too come a door anymore. So why you touch me baby like that for?
So
I know you touch me baby too hard, come now your blackness rub off pan her.
Two we black, so fearful, so
No, fear one, you blacker than me.
Sakela mama, who pregnant?
Girl, did you too long time not to give it to the drama? Did you know say my sister man have money? I'm a big up like a big house down the road. You go the road, you turn the corner, you turn another corner. It's a big nice house there. And my house that. Yes, the man a believe for me.
Allah, I'm glad to get one house so I can go stay with us sometime.
Yes, I know saying guess what too? Guess a fufa man.
Hoover.
My sister man.
What?
And a braid fin too.
Girl.
Oh.
The idea there, no, but
Which idea?
thank God that you wanna breed.
Thank God who wanna breed?
Why you breed?
She a breed too.
What?
Yes.
So you know that she were then?
You see if nobody if you get dash way, I did you. Why your mama never dash you? We are try dash way something like you. Cause me and your mother and I push out you. I mean they can't find the hospital. No, you're left in the hospital.
Well, guess what? No, you're good news.
Push good news.
We're pregnant for you too.
Pregnant for who?
Not for you, same man.
And you could dance with a whole girl. You better go dash with that. You better go dash with that. You see me and my sister in a race and you want to come and chat. Me run after chucking a girl. Me run you after the track.
Me a run, man.
We could smell bad tell but you want to breathe for me baby daddy.
Me a run, girl.
You don't run then do it them man.
What's up?
Come here to me you want to breathe for me baby. I say well want to breathe.
I see you take it to
Nah baby daddy want to breathe something like a you. You know like girls like a you.
I am proud.
You shit bad. Me proud that I'm a baby daddy. I don't give a damn if I'm a sister man.
Let me have to go and friend Kayla.
I mean first it and friend, you know tree look good in a tree innocence.
Sure.
You don't like an innocence.
Go on.
You don't even have a man. From me know you never have a man. Nobody no wants you. Jesus, hush baby, hush.
Burger. Oh God, waiting time.
So you really come here?
Huh?
After you call me just a while ago. I hear my sister fighting at the background.
No, you don't hear no voice in the background. No.
Are you really come here about baby? Yeah, baby me.
I'm a staff, them in the background.
Staff.
Me a pay them.
So you me ask you a question. I don't know my sister voice anymore.
I don't know if you know your sister voice.
I don't know my sister voice anymore. I ask you a question. What do you mean by you don't know?
Staff. Them me tell us I'm a staff. I'm a staff. So what y'all like doing? Me not there. Come and go water baby head.
Water which baby head?
I'm a staff.
You say if you continue like this and next man I go water the baby head. So you stay there.
You must be mad.
You stay there. So what the
You're
money
mad.
there? What the money there?
You not really pay out the staff. Them
Pay out the staff. Yeah, me not pay my sister. My sister.
Me not-
After I get a boss for me left out about, oh my God, my baby father go get some money and this or that. After I tell the girl, oh, she go tighter than mine. I had this, I had that.
money.
And she about, oh, you have no cripping and no grain and no gravity. You feel like something hear about it?
That's a lie.
Me hear all about it.
Me and your sister no lead down after me find out on her sister. Me no lead down with her. Me no lead down with that. That's a trash.
Oh, so from the first time when they lie down with
Me no
her.
talk to that.
Mommy.
Sorry, mommy, but that's
Me
a trash.
glad me see you.
Yes.
But that's a trash, mommy. Me no lead
Trash. I same thing I tell me a trash. I know you come to me say my sister a trash.
Allah your sister tell pa me.
Lie.
I can't tell when last me see your sister.
So you not see her today?
From the day when the truth come out, me no see your sister.
You know say the money a liar do, mommy?
Me know
See the
my
mama girl,
daughter.
yeah?
Okay. And
See,
try
this
not
like
say what
See,
is
yeah,
good
yeah.
for the geese is good for the gander.
Well, we
You
can-
had fun and went hoo hoo ha ha with both me pick the them. So
big
no
man.
say yeah for mine.
Big
Four bare mouths.
lovely here.
Four mouths yeah for mine. If you don't mind shop, you have to mind 5.
Don't understand to say don't come up here, but to reach up here.
Baby man if you come up here. What you mean by him if you come up here?
You know your quote, I'm a word.
You want him?
You know your quote,
You have paper, see the man? Me a come. Me
have him bird paper up on me yard.
No, we can't solve this, you know. We can't solve this.
Ah, me have paper swim, me have him bird paper.
We can't
That's a
solve
bird
this.
paper. You have a bird team.
Swim.
It's two on our sister, right? We can't solve it. I'm not.
Yes, it's two away assistant look bad because you breed it two away.
Hold on. Don't raise the question. Hear the answer.
Is it right?
Alright, we can't solve it.
You
Done it.
Hold on.
Mama tell me shut up.
Done it.
What she do? What you look for?
We can't solve this.
Yeah,
It's two on our breed to me, right?
Yes. Put your back over there stuff for me there.
Ah, never do. Never take care of two on equally.
Right now.
What you mean equally?
Equally.
What you mean?
50-50.
50-50 my backside.
Right, so it two on go 50-50 with me in a bed.
You can't be honest.
This is fiercely.
Lean up there, so in a bed. What you mean in a bed?
Yeah.
Mommy, what you mean in a bed? 50-50 in a bed?
No.
In a bed?
No.
Mommy.
She have the board.
The man that
You want me to pick up next board? What you
in a
think
bed.
this is? You think some raise harlots?
Yo.
I should have shame already.
The reason I tell her don't to come up here because she will abuse you, but you know that
What you mean by abuse? I will abuse you instead?
The two, no, I'm a common enemy. Una sister.
Oh, me beat it on right, yes, so.
As a matter of
If you
fact.
want to lose the picnic, me not care.
No, don't say that.
It's your fault.
My fault and me breed my picnic them.
It's your fault.
And me breed my picnic them.
If you never... It
Don't blame me, mother. Don't blame her. Do not blame me, mother.
start from the root. Or your mother fault.
Why? If you don't want me to grab your root and drag you out to me, I'd come out.
Do it.
But drag you out by your roots, you know, boy.
Yes.
You did it
So you can't do this to no one else.
That one there. We start with that one there. You say for this thing, I'm going to teach them not to...
Why not start with you that she a bully? You cannot start with you want to start for me.
Start with yourself.
And this alone, I can this.
No,
You're
listen.
too gilly and you for start with yourself.
Let me explain myself. You see, as a mother, if you just sit down and teach your people them when they're young, say they have to come up on can man and tell man wrong name, me would have known say it was
You.
my sister.
And if your mother, they teach you for respect woman.
Exactly.
You don't know say you have a woman. My daughter might be bad, but me tell you the truth. She know say you have her. And you make promise to my other daughter, see you don't know, see in a relationship with the picnic already.
She see me I come and pull on her clothes and bend on but she a pee-pee.
I know that's your look. I say he's a pervert as well as a sex maniac.
I wish man don't come as a puss and a rise to the occasion.
Okay, so he's a pervert.
It's not a pervert.
And you're talking about me for his mind.
Belly foot me come over your yard, you know, in your arms.
Okay.
Over here.
You lift me up and I can't tell me I done nothing and a piece.
You must shave this here Virgin yard in Cargo. Virgin yard and a film yard me go. Imagine.
One boathouse.
No, you tell. I'm more than one
What is in the light have to come in.
More than one.
Me no business.
So why is she
But anyways,
come at me
mommy,
now?
me have the
What
solution.
wrong?
Don't worry, we have the solution. I have the solution. She go and dash your belly, go and mind me and me.
Nobody a dash
my
where.
child and me
God
as the
forbid.
woman alone.
No.
Girl,
That
it
is
makes
an
sense to lock
abomination.
chat. It makes sense you lock chat. Cause we are chat right now, it make no sense.
It make perfect sense.
It better make better sense him lay him 2 beds, him mind him 2 baby them.
You can't afford it.
Plus mind the mother them.
This equal. We have speak justice.
Don't touch me.
I can take care of one of the child. Take care of one.
No. Come in.
So why you not take care of one I child and me hand paint over this so?
Alright, no, me like me go
So who you take
me
care
go
of?
take care of one of the child them and the mother take care of one
No.
of the
That's not going to work.
Huh?
And the mother breed we?
And grandchild, you know.
No. You see when you did it go or whatever animal noise you gonna make with my girls them, you should have know that, and you should have know about protection. How many else people out there you do that
one,
to?
yeah.
My way you doing in my yard with my picnic.
When me I put on protection, she say protection only going to cause infection. They must go raw dog.
Hold on.
She said let every
I
Jew.
saw you weak, you know, say you
Call
don't
them a
have
man.
woman and you still do that.
She said let
You
every
know what?
Jew eat.
Come out of there.
Come out,
Let's
man.
come out. Come out of the yard.
Drag him out.
You're irritating.
When you
That
come
one-
back with money,
Come out the one. Come out
then
of the
you can
yard.
talk.
Come out.
Well, go ahead and look at Peter.
Hey, come back with the money, man.
Come we see.
A police we are going to take you. And court we are going to take you.
You're not here to left.
Remember,
You're not here to left the end. Which warning?
Remember, some
We not take warning. What you mean by not take? What you mean by?
Big house, me a building up. So,
Remember, said my daughters have the law on them side.
I'm coming with you, but not running.
We
Them
shall
have the
see
law
of
on them
course.
side.
yes, baby.
Since I said that you...
Yeah, man, listen up.
Sit down, run you.
Me talk to you one more time. I don't have a problem if you want to take me to the court, you know. Because at $3 a week, the judge will make me pay.
Little you know.
So it's better than me, they give $20 and $10
Me
a
go
week.
tell lie so you rape me. Me go tell lie so you rape me. Since I said that you want, me go tell the judge so you rape me.
You know, say a woman when they woman dangerous.
Sister lie.
Don't worry yourself. Me the liar
You
one
should
now.
know. If you
Alright.
never lie, you wouldn't be in
Okay,
this situation.
Baby.
No go hey.
Hey, get out of that one, Mr. Bossy.
myself and I'm a fire down, bust up your ass here, you do it.
I'm your witness.
I got
Me
that
is
line
witness
on
to
me
my
throat.
girls.
Me come back and say, oh, you did hold me, and you did split me throat, but you never
By
never
the
did
time
eat.
me done
never
fuck
been
my
eating
baby
up
girls
something
who
handed.
both
Don't worry
get abused
yourself.
by the one man.
Come on, we'll go up on the road and we come back here later. Come on.
Hey, you know.
You better pick, choose, and refuse before you
Don't be a
lose.
better man.
A better
They're
man.
willing to take care of the youth, them.
And the mother them a do the hard work.
Exactly.
The mother then can find for themselves.
What you mean try to yourself?
Yeah, because you know, woman can
If the mother don't help,
Hey, you know,
child is
turn my
not
daughter
going to
them
be
in a
healthy.
horse, so you better readjust that the sentence, right? You know. Can me feel the tears them a come on?
Mommy, just
Oh God, the two baby them go The two baby them go Got the same man. Them hold them the two baby. So we are deal with now.
Yes, mommy, ball out to the neighborhood.
You don't know we are holding
Make
up.
come beat him.
Me did ready for deal with this nicely. We are ready in the mess. We are ready in the hot water. When you come rank with me, pick them. You know we are.
Tomorrow talk about that.
No talk now.
You can't talk no more. We can't manage the family. The family then come like a one big destruction.
Yep, try now.
Run.
I saw you see.
If you got a lunch party and live, and you got that, now
You have to
while
use your brain.
now while him. Me not going to get mommy. I can't go home.
They better
You call me.
All right,
Mommy,
no
mommy.
argument.
Yeah, no, come and give you some
Remember,
egg.
so not pregnant, and not can't rise under pressure.
Mommy, later. Come.
All right.
No trouble. When I get it now, stop.
Nobody
on
rise
too
your
long.
pressure here. Deal with
All
things
right.
with your brains, not your brawn.
All right, mommy.
All right. Love you.
All right, love you. Brittany, come here. I want a kid, man.
Come here.
Yeah, we are saying.
Look at what this so. I want to be read for one man.
Girl, you have problem or something? Stay out of me.
Like, who no have problem? Cause
Listen,
me
man.
bigger problem than me.
Stay out of me and my sister business. You're too enough.
What kind of nasty
You're too enough.
I'm free about Miss Shami and I wonder how you feel now.
Remember me Shamin how she feel now.
Like cussing me off for there down your road. Just
Girl.
look in front.
All them do for the community, walk and beg and mind people business.
me ever beg
You have, what you mean by
Me ever beg it?
beg me because you can't beg me because you know you're not going to get it.
How me beg somebody when I know shame and no ambition go and take
What you
one
mean by,
man
girl,
with
come out
them.
of my face. As much as me I breed me only and beat you, me tell you that.
Walkless, I like putting it if you call Miss Armas walkless.
What you mean, Miss Armas
They
Walkless?
putting it. I
Listen to me, man. Me
no
now, let's come out of my business that I need to
No,
do.
sir, and then
When I hear time, you shall see.
Me never know it's me not see nothing cause me and my sister now breed for one man, not none of the family with them. Then now see I walk this over the yard.
Who know I to walk the sister will bring for the one.
Oh, yeah, what me say a while ago?
Oh, you're reaching at this. Come here.
you
Little
think I'm a
girl.
little girl?
Little girl, how you reaching at this?
Sir.
When you see two big people are reason do not come in and eat. Go some man.
People, if I did have sense, your sister will breed for yourself.
You
What
right.
you mean by-
Tell her again. Tell
Girl,
her
come
again.
on, move.
Girl.
Go on, baby.
Leave the
This
little
now.
girl alone. Go on.
You mean by leave little girl alone? Girl, go on, baby. This is how come out. Come out of big people. Come out of big people
You look a
business.
pitney when you have strength for you.
What you mean by me? What you mean by me not strength for man? What you mean by me not strength for the man when we got breed my sister?
Nasty and walk.
Too nasty, my sister the workless one because of my man and she got take me
So
man.
your man walk this and dirty and nasty too.
Yes.
I don't know say
Me now go listen to me, I go admit saying dirty and he nasty and he workless. But that not give you the right to chat about me.
Sick me
Workless.
stomach.
Sick your stomach.
Afraid for you all walk past you nowadays.
No way you call me though.
No nasty
You're
man.
Girl, come out of my way, man.
No nasty and I no shame.
You know say I don't like that girl I do.
Like your mama kill your shame when you're a baby.
Me not gonna raise up my pressure. Me have a picnic on your way.
Yes, my baby. How you feel now?
Well, mommy, you know, so I don't really feel too bad. I'm just glad to see me the road and everything. Feel natural.
You look like say you have an easy time with this your pregnancy.
Well, not really, because people keep on swimming on the road and all. So one bag of something, I'm not pay them no mind.
Pay them the mind. Let me tell you something. If people not chat you and watch you, that means you not do nothing. No mind them. Live
Right.
your life.
I love when they talk about me still, because my life will be the main topic.
You give them plenty to chat about.
That's
for true. Give them things to chat about, man. All them watch you for them pot of spoil.
And that they want, so that me I give them. Yeah.
Sorry, forgot.
So mommy, you know cook?
You know some cook, man.
I can't make you asleep. No, I ain't never say nothing to me.
Nah, come in no say, my grandchild, he or she will wake you when food come off a fire.
Well, next month, I'm going to do ultrasound. And we can figure out. They won't tell me which gender the baby be. I think more and do a gender reveal though. So I want you to come with me.
Of course.
And I'm going to tell you and you go do what you need to do. I want to be surprised. I don't want to know what gender I be. You understand until the gender reveal.
Okay. I mean, and
But I'm not, you're excited more than me though.
no man, I'm my first grandchild. I'm gonna get 2 in 1, but why the way me get them? But I'm still glad. Me not turn down no blessing God
I
give
don't
me.
vex say me pregnant, you know, but who me breed for, you understand?
Yeah. But everything for a reason, even if we not understand the reason at the time.
Half of my sister again.
But I know on our sisters, you know. I don't know if I make the junk out there mashing them up.
Mommy knows that me always a push piece, right? Me I try to talk to her and say, sis, we will talk about this. No, she don't want that shit, this shit, that. How me I forget it, man. Just make we work together at least. She don't want that.
Well, love conquers all. You see, when our head cheap, just show our love, our walkway.
Me not show her no love because she not show me no love,
Oh,
mommy.
man.
And me I go look like an idiot.
Oh, God. No, don't worry about that. Are your sister.
Mommy,
Them are going to be
listen up.
cousins,
Let me say
you know.
something. You see one thing with you now? You're too kind-hearted. And that me not understand with you. You're too kind-hearted. Look on the amount of things. My sister dear, mommy.
I still my picnic.
I still a picnic, but mommy, at least, man.
Me discipline her in my own way.
In
I
her
deal
own way,
with her
by
in a-
showing her love same way.
So I'm if you hate her.
Me not tell us if you hate her, but mommy need to keep her up on a distance. You understand?
No, man,
She
I
disrespect me and she disrespect you. Me your first picnic. I'm your first child. You have to always remember that, mommy.
Of course. Me know that. But the thing is, me love the two and the same.
The same.
The same two and come from the same hole. Me love one the same. So me have to just work with what God give me. The
So, mommy,
blessings God give me. Even when me not understand
Mommy,
it.
let me ask you a question. So who you think I'll get the house?
Boy, my child. To be honest, if you say you should get the house.
I know that. I know that.
I know what.
Take her, put her in there. I know that, mommy.
You
Take
know,
her
say you
and
did
put
do
her in
wrong.
there.
You know, say you do wrong.
Mommy, listen. Every time you come here, I have a problem. Every time you come here.
So my girl, if you know every time I come here a problem, you forget that yeah me live, so you know if you come
Leave
here.
where? You forgot to mommy kick you out long time ago.
Tell her say put me come mommy.
Oh, no done the argument. Una agree.
back.
What una want in the picnic for come war like una? Una agree, man, una for learn to live good. Now make
me-
this crosses, man, come in and mash up the family no
You know, make your
more.
family make your family better.
Better where? Better where?
You see me I get big house and me a breed girl a blessing.
So
How are you?
How you so sure say I get the house?
My name is a liar.
Where you think me I come from? I'm the wife. Where you think me I come from?
Stop it nice. Yeah, like
Down there me I come from.
Let me say something to you.
Down there me I come
Anything,
from.
listen, anything you say to your mouth, me not gonna believe that. Because you're liar from this
Call him
one.
for your phone.
Me not need to call him.
I done them me they come from. I need for my baby daddy that, and I done them me I come from. You know why you pick me? That is
Hold on. We're not going to that, you know. We should be working together to find out. So, Uno, I go get from Uno one baby daddy.
Make it a
Instead
house.
of no fighting. And that's
it a
what he
house.
wants.
Make it a house and make it a baby. What mom could I want?
Mommy, remember some I already said to your friend, what do you? Me don't argue with the girl,
You
yeah.
not argue with
You're right.
Me not argue with her. You not gonna make no better.
And just raise on the pressure for nothing.
Me not gonna raise my pressure and kill off my
But
picnic
bring your
because
bad
I
mind,
just
your bad mind.
Oh, me bad man. And you are the bad man one because
You
number one, the man was mine. And then through your red
You do
eye,
wrong
you see
for
me I
true.
get things, you're chipping.
You do wrong. That is
You're
what
chipping.
wrong.
That's why I'm chipping my girl.
What you mean
That's
by-
why you hype. You come and show off. You and her, I fall too. This one you come and show off. And I'll diss my friend Guyanese. And you think that go so?
Hold on. So that little girl rub off on you.
Back together,
I
she
sit
knows.
down here and I can't myself calm, you know.
Mommy, back
Yeah,
together.
she pregnant. She's pregnant. And it's not
back
feel lick her the way me feel lick her. John no.
John know
But
for sure.
no, you do.
Mommy, I told
No.
No, you do.
Yes, mommy.
Little girl. Do it again. Your baby not there out there, so your baby there out there. So me lick you again, you know. Do it again. Sefe.
Me are 19 and
Sefe.
I do.
And 19 lick you forget. Sefe.
say it.
Sunday.
Sit down.
Sefe.
Sit down.
Mommy,
No one should be ready for your boy. It's just a bit too high, man.
Mommy, you're
Oh.
too soft. You make a girl that you just a raise a voice, you know, reason now. You're not
She
showing
know.
action.
She
So
know.
nothing.
She know.
Big mouth girl, yeah, man. Everything you want, talk off your
Me
mouth.
already tell her say I'm the calm one. Me not gonna argue with you. You are
argue
waste
with
of
me.
time.
No, man,
We can't argue with old people because I'm not years old.
Come out with it, man. Come out
No,
with it. We
but
can't
you-
take it. Because all me pray
Come on, have a
for
look
is
food.
my grandchild is not a warmonger like you.
Listen now, you come for food.
She
Since
must
as a
come
baby
a warm
father,
hunger.
listen now, since as a baby father rich and I'ma take care of you and
Me
that
left Monday,
child.
mommy. Oh, mommy no cook.
You mean by
Where
ocean?
Monday?
Where Monday, mommy?
Lord God,
Well,
no, hold on, baby, because you see when you're pregnant, them say pregnant women have pea brain and small memory. It not lick you, but it lick she.
Right.
Me wanna know when you give me money for do that.
see,
I
you
must do
are-
the same 50,000 you tell your dryhead puss friend, so you give me.
Don't this my friend.
Don't
She
this
got
how you
head
gonna
dry and it done. Argument done. Her head dry. She not look good. All she do a walk her mouth for business in the neighborhood. That's all we are gonna do.
Nothing here, you know.
Me say, me no want to know this my friend.
God.
I'm your friend head dry. You gonna do something about it?
Yes,
Defenny.
You see?
Tell her defenny.
I show you see me name that breed. Me da show you your karate in this girl. Me da show you that.
Come on,
I
to
show
them
you
the
the
foolishness.
But me baby, me not argue with you.
Come out of my face. Come out.
Donny, man, Donny. Hey, Donny.
Let me go.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, but hey, Donny. You know that Mama says she's pregnant. Mama says she's pregnant. Don't take care of your baby. Come on, till you start it. Come on. Wanna breeze out. Mama says she's pregnant. If you never cause it,
You wicked enough.
I mean you get it from. Come out.
Gonna go
Go calm yourself down,
Gotta go
man.
straight, mommy.
And cool yourself down.
Gotta
You can't
straight,
take
mommy.
the
God
hot
bless you.
thing.
Gotta take care of
All
it,
right,
girl.
done it, man. Done it.
My
Remember,
best
say
not
you're
take it, girl, and I
pregnant.
see it.
Hey, remember, say you're pregnant. Remember my pressure.
Mommy, you're too soft, too, you know. Because every time I'm on your side, mommy, you're too soft, and if you deal with the girl, worse than that.
And when she lose the baby, I hope for
When she lose the picnic, me
When
never say
she
for
lose-
her. Me never say for
I
her.
know the slightest.
Bunny girl from your yard.
Do not stop it. High blood pressure can make you lose a baby, you know. And not just physical thing, we can make you have
Mommy,
miscarriage.
never left out your yard.
Calm yourself,
You're not
man.
caught now with sense
Well,
right
calm
now.
yourself,
Mommy,
man.
later.
No, yeah,
On
do.
my phone there.
Remember, say I breed, you the breed.
Mommy, right now, me no business. Cause what this man me I breed for?
Hear me know, but you know what list too. Go on. Sure. Can't take the hackling, man.
Yeah, meow. Meow, no? You don't get none. Boss, wife can cook, no. All you do is look pepper.
Uncle.
Sunny. Where do you? What you got?
Read this. Dirty dog. Read that.
So why I know you carry this? Why you never carry from before?
Because I never feel like do it before. I'm like how my friend. See her? You see her? Yeah, she live beside of me. She tell me
Why
everything
you-
we are going.
Why you? What do you mean by everything?
Everything we are going.
Uncle remember say, I girl listen to but they get not no.
Everything we are going. You see the tools come to buy them. Let me hear say you have a breed. You have to go make them dash you that.
Why?
Because we know how you stay in your pocket, you know. The money that the different man so many pick me.
You really can the business go so far
Yes,
and then bring her come here?
of course.
You must call me a duck for you.
I know what you have done there, so.
Eh?
Now what do you house?
I work, me
Oh, yeah, where?
me build up
Oh,
boss.
you could have been some for you and your pitney.
Soon.
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 The baby soon, the year.
We are doing that this area here, you know.
What do you mean when me are doing
I
this
play
area?
dog round here, I'm gunman and bad man, you know, in the area here. Where you carry girl out Java?
She like, come on, tell me
Talk to
something.
your baby mother, uncle, and don't talk to me.
But you know, Lord Jesus Christ.
Come on.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah, sister, yeah.
From which birth?
Just relax, so yeah, big money. Right. Big money.
Oh, go on, yes, sir.
Eh?
What go on, yes, sir?
Uncle,
Me and me niece and me sister go and socialize, you know?
Hello.
Ah.
yeah, hello.
Hello. So why your sister feel skin up, sir?
Because I don't like you have dog rash, some more you stay far. I don't like how your face look.
How my face look?
Rashy.
Like your pussy?
I thought she stand, you mad. You can't answer that to
You
me.
see, if you never see my pussy, you can't talk about my pussy. Stop
I want
discussing your
one, sir.
pussy.
No, you can't disrespect my sister, so.
Your sister first. I disrespect is a tell me what go on, yes, sir. Talk up, me,
You
talk
look
up.
at me, sister, you know.
Talk up. Me baby daddy.
Your baby who?
Daddy, you know, hear me words come out more properly.
Tell that.
Hi.
Come like I don't know if you spell daddy.
Hi.
No.
Hi.
Spell me don't know if it's
Oh.
baby daddy.
Hi.
I'm a breed, I'm breed.
Hi.
I'm a breed, I'm a
Oh.
sister to what you talk about.
Hi.
What happened to you? Answer bite you?
Billie Jean.
Answer bite you?
Billie Jean.
What happened to you?
Billie Jean.
What happened to you?
She rocked me wrong. Billie Jean.
What happened to you? What do you mean? What do you mean?
I buy you a sweetie. I buy
I
you
don't
a.
want no sweetie.
What should we sweetie?
I give you a Christmas
Mosquito
gift.
bite up the dog foot.
Christmas a
I mean, I
come.
really want a mosquito bite up the foot.
Christmas a come.
Jeremy, talk fast now. Talk fast, what?
Why you call up me real
Baby mother
name?
one, baby mother two, baby mother jump in a hot callaloo.
Ah, so she sing. So she
Baby
sing, you know?
mother one,
She mad.
baby mother two,
Jeremy,
baby mother three,
Sis,
anyway,
baby mother
what
jump
go on
in a
right there, so?
callaloo.
It's not so
Uncle,
good.
how your son so stammer?
It's not good.
you see, you know, me go talk to your mother, you know. But tell
Jeremy O'Neal Henry,
her, yes,
what go on right there, so?
she,
Shiva,
she pregnant.
for who?
That's a good, yeah, I have a funny situation, in a baby.
For who?
I have a funny
You
situation.
call her baby. You cannot call her sister baby.
Huh?
If you
But
call
you
her
don't know
sister
all
baby.
of that, this
I-
is sister your boy soup.
I just
Me I talk to you.
slip of the tongue. I just slip of the tongue.
What's the story?
Huh?
What's the story?
All right, let me hear it. It's funny, you know, baby. Me say, no, she now, me see her one day, and me say, hello, and she
You see her
calls
one
me,
day?
yeah, she calls me off, you know, baby. And then,
Cut the story short, it's too dry.
she tell me to lift her up, and she tricked me.
Jeremy, cut the story
so-
shorter. It's dry.
Make me chop between her.
Who breed her, Jeremy?
She breed herself.
Oh, bird fool for self. No wrong with me, China. Let me earth here.
Jeremy, I want
You know you is my baby daddy. I want you try to you saw. Me just have to explain this to the earth and talk up, man. My sister shot done here.
Uncle.
She should have done here.
Uncle.
Come on now, wagwan.
If you can read. If you can read, that solve your problem. So I don't know which part you come from because I'm the first baby mother right there. So give me the...
Now you name that pen and paper.
Huh?
See her braid, she too. Well, no worries.
Your baby now, man.
Listen. Who they gonna stop a baby from ban, miss?
Mama.
Who they gonna stop it from ban?
Hoy.
Who they gonna stop it?
Hoy.
Problem.
You see the house where Jeremy have? He can't manage so much of
You
it.
can't manage your baby love.
You ever go up there?
See right here.
Where?
The tree we can't pick up in the same way, my bill.
Jeremy.
Oh, you and my sister can't pick up in here,
So
sir.
Jeremy, you know, see I work. So Jeremy, and they are not car, you know, carry the original house where you have.
No, it's your virgin house, that. The little old bottom bowl house and virgin house.
A your house that, Jeremy? A your house that, Jeremy?
You know?
Jeremy, it's 3, 4, 6, any amount where your breed can hold up there, say no. You see her there on the hilltop of shake? In moment, this is when you come in there, you rush by the house trap down.
Why we have to do this now?
Do what now? Me come to you.
Why you did have to have one baby mother and breed?
And me come down here, come see this one here and that one here.
Some more did they?
Yes.
Jeremy,
I don't
hurry up and build the people them house and collect the money and give them, make them do a abortion. Because the baby they not born.
Which baby not ban? Who go and tap this baby from ban, miss?
Jeremy, just buy the pill and give me it. No worry, who go stop it. It's when it stop, it stop.
So girl, do chat to me.
If me
I
a
don't
threaten
touch
you,
it
me tell
off.
you, say me threaten you.
She
You
friendly,
want me
she
threaten you?
friendly, she friendly.
You want me to threaten you?
She friendly.
Me girl know who me and my sister me.
No,
Oh, give a damn who you and your sister be.
no, she don't know.
Who my sister be? You want more beaten?
Listen to me.
You want more beaten?
Listen to me. Listen to me.
You're being a
You
stick,
think
Jeremy.
you know who you and your sister be, but me feel like the people them man, the people them baby for.
I'm going to make sure I call your mother and tell her to have 6 man down here, you know. I'm going to make sure I phone your mother.
Uncle, you know bother with that and deal with your situationship right here.
Why you can't come here so you couldn't wait till we call up for her?
You need to come and see what's going on.
We're going up the road.
Jeremy, we're going up the house to clean.
If you ever walk for your side of Jeremy, you know. If you ever walk for your son.
Let me see if you're a boy or you're a man. Let me see if you're a man or you're a boy.
Boy, you know where we get top over your son.
If
Come over your
the
son.
original baby mother take one
Hello.
step.
Come over your son. Because if you go up the road, you know where you're going to get when me go up my yard.
Jeremy,
Come over
you're
your
a
son.
man or you're a boy.
Yes, a man.
secret
Come over your
for
son.
She have secret
Me
for
and
you.
both of them.
She have secret for you.
Son.
Me have to start from.
She have secret for you.
No.
So what you tell me now? Jeremy, we are going to go up in your house, go clean it up.
Wow,
in
me a come.
No, it's two we are go up there.
Well, no, me have to deal with Bossy.
Jesus
Me not see
Christ,
no
man.
bossy over there. Tell boss if he give you an hour.
Go over this one.
What you?
Go over this one now.
Just go on the back.
No, tell me if you're going up. Tell she if you're going up.
Where we going?
Well,
Come in.
no, you can't do that. No, you can't do that.
Miss Badman.
She have money I give you?
Yes.
How much money?
Baby, she have money. You like so?
How much money?
And she have my money.
How much money? The money can give me a prom.
Yeah.
The money can make me baby have feed and pampers.
Yes.
Go on and come here. Wait for you 1 hour time.
And she have really out, yeah?
So are we going to move in?
Yes, baby.
Yeah,
Go on,
go on.
go on, here.
Go on, let's get happy, master body.
Set up yourself. Yes.
What the fuck, fella, go on your son?
No, so me run him there. So me run him like a dog there. Me run her.
No! Because he didn't ever go up there, no. What am I talking about? He didn't ever go up there. Hey!
When me go with that, the conky
Hey!
bag.
I up a yard. Me just don't cuss off my sister and up there me I go back. Make if you tell her about this.
No.
You think you get
No.
me? You make get a diss me, boy.
Alright.
Oh, rush your face like me, you get me
Alright,
dog.
yeah.
You make get a call me dog.
No, yeah. If you not tell her sister,
What happened?
me I go. Give the house fully.
Me dear, your woman, your baby mother was come here come talk, say, I work over there at people
No,
house.
yeah, that, but tell him. Because me not want him go and take no tight. Remember, say she had the first pregnancy, and she have go out the first band. Yeah. So if the first band come,
No, sir, because you take me an idiot. You take me an idiot. If you let me, you see, I dem a sit and
You don't understand what go on.
What go on?
If the first woman have the first baby, a female house.
That's why she not go have no baby because me go tell my sister no about what go on, so make she lick out that.
No, do
So
that.
bye-bye.
Don't do
Continue
that.
your dumpling and your corned beef, you want like a bean. Make girl come diss me.
You know, say, hungry, come baby, eat something. Woof.
I'm there.
So, you go on like to your nights. And you Miss Hypey, Miss Goody Isha, Miss Good Pitney, and I Miss John's husband. Yeah, take.
Happy speak out my people.
No, girl.
You always have so excitement.
I really miss really the old man you take.
Which old man, Kayla?
Peter, Miss John's husband. Why you do that, Thais?
Stop it now.
Why you take the old man?
Why you take your sister, man?
Ignore yourself.
You talk too much,
girl,
man.
you think of that worse?
Awa.
I know my sister man alone, girl.
Awa.
One next girl I breed for the man.
What?
And next woman is
see a man?
breed for this segment. I three we are breed for him. Not
She
two, but three.
She had
And
it.
you have a,
And if a man know did. I don't know if a man know did.
What you just say? What you just say?
No,
But you did that when girl call me dog.
which girl you chat, boy?
One girl, me see one shot tuku girl on the road.
Tuku.
She shot.
I want one.
You know best friend now, Kayla?
Hey, nobody not
Remember that talk to you.
Blood thicker than water, so
Shut
watch
up.
him out.
Me do the road, I'm saying I go link the man.
Yeah.
Right, I'm go down there. Me see man this girl and this other little girl. And tell me why sister and his niece. The girl down there, I body him up. I go on hype. The girl I breed.
Breed?
Yes. For who? For him. And you know I know your man right name too.
What?
Jeremy Henry.
So I told we in there play all along.
Yes, and you see the girl with the breed too? I'm the first baby mom. So she go and get everything. We not get
I
nothing.
get nothing. I that fear me too.
So we not forgot to do something about it.
Yes. We have to go do something about
Yo,
it.
we are gonna murder the picnic there. You see how she?
Murder
You
it.
know say to one too wicked piece of girl. When you mean by not gonna murder a girl? Just because a girl like
Who
first
you
baby
talk to
mother.
you?
You know too wicked
Listen
man.
to me, no man. Girl, me tell you, so when you see me and my sister and our business do not come in at it.
That's why when it wanna lie down with the one man, me never dare go come
You
in
know
like
what wicked?
neither.
You know what really actually wicked?
What?
This a girl that sleep with Miss Johnson husband.
Which Miss
Miss
Johnson?
Johnson? Come here, Miss Johnson.
Oh, let's start.
I want to look wicked.
Like you could horny girl. Oh, I can't say look
Jesus
shift look she like.
Oh, not
You
that
like
wicked.
old man.
No, man, ask the all from the other day.
Later. Me can't manage
How
it.
would you want to take underneath you?
Cause you touch his shift up and
I come back like you want to bash
God,
me.
imagine it.
You want that something pop underneath
The
him.
old man something pop underneath and that's she walk. Come on. Girl, we are go feel girl, you know.
We go for man first. Kind this we done, in this me done there.
Oh, anybody first this year them I
Come
get
on.
it. I must see idiot.
Lord God.
Charmian.
Yes.
You alright? Good afternoon or evening.
Good evening.
Just want to apologize.
Me I talk to?
Charmian, are you and them saying in a lane?
Where the camera them there?
Charmian, stop behave so.
No,
man. I
man.
think a TV you take report.
Hey.
Charmian, listen now. I am so sorry for all the bad things that I have said to you and all the time that I have been disrespectful to you, and I will never do it again. Please accept my apology. And you see, all the time now, I of course you for Kayla and I pick up for Kayla. You know, so I'm sorry, so I do it right now. Charmian,
What make?
you see Kayla and your next daughter. You see, man, they breed for him breed one next woman, you know? And the next woman I first be a mother. Then my second and the third.
Hold on, what you say?
Yeah, me shot.
That dry foot crackers brand breed.
Yes, 3 women now in breed. 2 daughters them.
So him there with somebody before my Britney?
And then here one now. You see Kayla and Britney, them a plan to go murder the girl.
And me like idiot. did start to trust you and believe you like a damn fool. And some
So you
people
don't
say
believe
you're
me?
liar, you know.
All right.
Little girl, if you stop walk and stop tell lie.
All right, Miss Shannon. Listen. Nobody call no crowd na comment. Just one thing me gonna say to you. One or two can't keep buying themselves to stay away from the man baby mother. Cause she was in the picture first. Them just come and paint for
Come on to
themselves.
people business. How you love people business, son?
I love
I'm this nosy park of if I call you.
Yeah, Kayla tap me and I mind for me business, you know. And then she outburst that the situation there. So come me hear your own daughter Kayla chatty. She and Brittany a plan for murder.
You know, say he's a real wasp.
Alright.
Me have to go warn my daughter
Alright.
about you, you know. She
Alright.
thinks say you is a friend, you know.
Alright, well, you see when the two daughter them go commit crime, or send police come and knock upon
Blood
the
of
door.
Jesus, take that out of your mouth.
And them say them out.
So me know say you is not a real friend. You
Alright.
try tell her for a long time, you know.
Alright, Miss Shabby, you know, say you know like me long time, you hate me
Me
like
not
a
hear, me
pint.
not have time for
You
hate
don't like me, you hate
And
me.
while you watch my family, you're pot of
You spend your
wine.
whole much years on earth hate me.
Eh?
No.
And so you have guilty conscience
No.
of people for hate.
You
And
hate
little
me
girl, me not
because-
no time because me have things to do.
You need to say, alright, me accept an apology if you show you how much you hate. Miss alright, just one
No,
or
me
two.
didn't start believe you, but
One
you're
or two.
idiot.
One or
There's
two
no
can't
way
be
my
mine.
2 daughters would work together for go lick girl.
Alright,
You're
time will
idiot. Move
tell.
you no problem too much.
Alright.
Oh. Sure. Me not forget where everything me I do. You're sick of the
And you
dirty
make me not
foot
even
girl.
remember which way fit on.
You're too busy in the people business,
Yeah,
man.
one set of girl, you fit them a set of confusion and you need to find God it.
Oh,
you
okay, you can find him first. But the water that going wash you blacker than what you going to come out.
Me not argue with you, Charmy.
Girl, and come out to big people business.
Me not argue
you
with you.
chat people business too much. Me know your business and me that chat about you and Mr. Old Man. Eh? You fi take people your own age, little girl, and come out to big people arguments. Oh, you don't know me or who?
Oh, God, I'm tired.
Oi, stop.
Drunk or yeah?
See me.
What? Oh,
Oh, me here say you breed one next girl. Oh, me here say you know them out again. You me here say you breed one next
Killing it.
girl. And you have a story of breed.
you lie, so.
Who lie? Me know some girl lie.
When the girl down there, the girl and lick up you, the girl say, if you're a boy or if you're a man.
Nobody asked me that lie.
Me know some sister lie, but me know she not tell a lie on that. Me know that.
And you make girl call me dog. You remember when the girl call me dog, but me a dog rash in my face, the heat bump there when me get.
You dumb. You not a mouth. I'm what?
Talk
Let me
up
tell you
big man.
something, let me tell you
Okay, this say you're a big man. Talk up
Let me tell you
say.
something. You can't listen to what it says sometimes, here.
You call me no if I'm thump in your mouth.
But
Talk it out.
she pregnant, but we don't know how she pregnant.
You don't know how she pregnant, so you're not sleep together.
Basically,
Me, I say, I
You know, say, man, every time you see me, I have to drape up here. You like it?
Listen what
You come like you
what
like
she
it.
say. Tell her what you say.
What going
I'm
yourself?
first baby mother.
Right, me know her before you. That was the point. Me know her before you.
So you never tell me
This
say I have
is
pitney
Krishna.
on the way.
Pressure, mommy.
Oh, you never tell me say I have
No,
pitney, oh, say I
I
have
never
3
know.
pitney on the way now.
Oh, so true.
True.
Yes.
True.
I said stink.
I may cuss your friend out the road because she did not try to tell
What
me.
me a dirty girl long time.
I think so lie.
Me
Cacaphone.
tell me
No,
can't
no,
take
no,
this.
listen,
Me
movie.
can't take this.
I never know that she is pregnant. Me left country, come down here, come work.
And then me go here, say girl, I go get house. When me and my pitney I go sleep in her.
No, baby love, no.
What you mean?
As much as how me and you they go plan up to fight the girl,
Fight who?
and me, I go get the house. You will stay in the garage.
Now which garage?
The garage and the house.
Me not take talk from you. Who will get the house?
I him on for fight. I him at the common name to me.
Who will get the house?
Huh?
Who will get the house?
What you mean?
You
Don't
see,
judge
now
this
Treat
me
you
man.
like puppy show and you still can't
You
see.
will not diss me man. I'm a baby daddy, don't
So
diss
mommy,
him.
wait there. You see,
And everybody else is baby daddy too.
I don't give a damn. We don't give a damn about nobody
Baby,
else.
you shut up. Shut up your mouth.
Jeez.
When I hear my mother talk, dump your mouth in it. You see, I say you treat your mother, not true.
Me not treat me that way.
Girl,
Hey, let me tell you something, little girl.
I say you treat mommy. Say man.
Today,
I say you treat
done
her.
with you. Me done with you,
Yes.
girl.
Long time.
For you. Me take shame for
Yes.
you. And you check.
I don't
All the
finish
Christian
that.
tail man for me.
Yes.
Blood
Dirty man.
Mommy, up. I
Me never put the man over there
pick
too.
him have.
Go with her too. Mommy. Go with her. Take him and go on with me. Take him and go on.
You might and no money for my nobody.
Listen to me. Mommy.
No, my mother, don't do that. Don't do that.
In-law.
We are done.
Bring them from my daughter.
We done. Abandon that the one that's gonna fall in there.
Oh, remember, so we must beat the girl together so we can get the house. You don't want the house?
Me don't, but I want the house. If I
You don't want it, man?
if I me don't want him.
She gonna make it, and the girl this at you, you know. The girl this at kind of concubine. And the girl say black. And the girl say under the big.
Lowie.
She no, come on.
Mommy, start him out. Come on, girl.
Try no, sir. Me the business how much picnic you want breed, you know. You see my 2 daughters? You mind them picnic. If I one them have, if I 2 of them have, if I 3, 5, 6, mind them. No bother make me ball for you, know.
Are you make the unruly so?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, if it.
I know you breed them and you breed up the community. So try no some me that get them madness from. You see if them come to me one time and cry so you not give them nothing. Straight down the station me go and ball for me picnic day.
Who cares?
Okay.
Who cares?
Okay, when me ball for rape, we'll see but who cares? Alright, who cares? Who cares? My people, this man raped the picnic them. They must rape us.
I sinfully though. I want to put myself in a God.
Oh God, can't take the hackle, man.
Mommy,
What happened?
me there. You know, say,
Mine.
you know, say, me literally can't manage to do, mommy, me tell the honest truth.
You have to concentrate on your health and concentrate on you and the baby
But
health.
mommy, me a try, you know, understand. From I go here, but the other girl, things just, are not the same.
Remember, so the other girl is before you.
Before me, I just a man get rid of her.
No bother with that.
What do you mean by, mommy, listen, man. Me and you can get rid of the girl. Nobody know if you know about it.
Accessory, I try to turn me, you know.
I want me to do it myself.
No. Look on it. Concentrate on you, your health, and your baby.
Mommy.
You feel live for your child now.
No, that me I go do. Mommy,
What
me
you-
I go get the house. And the girl I get the house, mommy.
You still want the crosses?
Mommy,
That the house I go come with bare crosses.
I don't want the man, I want the house. And I said, I try to get rid of the girl. And then after I get the house, I try to get rid of the man.
You have legal. No, sir. No, sir.
Oh,
No, sir.
So, mommy,
No, sir.
No,
sir.
With
Out
money.
of whole fire and you come out and I fix clothes.
Huh?
Little girl, you really bring your trigger foot man in my yard.
Lock my mouth.
Undress.
That's all the heart. Did I hope I say my current girlfriend and I don't get back current from Melissa pass we don't get back current.
Oh.
My heart.
Where
Yeah,
you
but
mouth?
you have money, mommy, also your next one too. You don't have no shame. You don't have nothing about you. See how you girl?
Really?
You love man, Kayla.
Come out to the house.
You know mommy house?
I miss you.
Man, show up on your bed too.
Miss what?
So mommy, you never
Miss
see
what? Like say you not cause enough problem in this your family. You not cause enough problem, you know shame.
Fix it yourself.
Oh,
When I put on your clothes.
This mistake I'm putting you wrong side. Hold on.
Judge I'm all around up it rotted.
Hey.
Which dump you running in my yard?
Me not tell you.
Which dump you running in my yard? Eh?
You make glad you get that one. Yes, that one now. Bad.
All you two.
That one
Me not done tell you say me not have no picnic name you.
And that's when if you talk to me now.
So come out to this.
No for your room.
Come out to this.
For your room.
You know, I mean you're in quid.
Yeah,
I mean you're really a rent quid. I mean you're really a rent quid in my yard. I mean you're really a rent quid in this. Eh? You're causing a problem with me picnic them. You're causing a problem with me picnic them.
You love me.
Eh?
You know,
Eh?
you start grinding and whining and
How you know?
and that's the water pipe.
Yes, that's it on him. Cleanse him. Cleanse him.
Wally.
Cleanse him.
This and go on.
Cleanse him, Brittany.
Mommy, you don't say.
You know what? No, man.
Mommy.
No,
You need to do
sir.
something, mommy. You need to go get rid of Kayla.
She gone.
No, get rid of her.
Gone. Me done did. Me done with.
Mommy.
My ex, I'm done.
Listen, mommy,
Me
the
done.
market ex get rid of her completely.
Baby girl, from this
Mommy.
your moment, one daughter, one grandpicking we
Mommy, you still have
concerned with.
missed the point when I try to say. Get rid of the girl.
I couldn't never, that is a talk,
What do
but
you mean by?
my picnic, as bad as she is, me doesn't tell you, say.
Oh,
Can
you
you think you can that
do it.
do what to my picnic, do what to
Mommy,
my
listen
picnic.
now. Cut it your throat and hurry up to help you. This not how more easier for me get rid of the next girl. Me get rid of the next girl, I don't know something I'm not for worry about.
So well, this baby turn you mad, Brittany.
It's
you
not
really
turn
are gone mad over dunce, man.
Mommy, now mad over him at the house. Me want me in the relationship.
You can't get the house without that. When you go in a prison, what you gonna do? Who are gonna mind your picnic?
Me go look walk out as me have house.
Okay, walk when you in a prison. Hey? You won. I gonna murder 2 people.
Mommy,
and you
listen
not gonna get
listen,
you gonna
listen,
get
listen,
away
help
with
me.
it.
Since as you do not want to help me, fine. Have a nice day. Bye.
But see, what is not this? You know, so the non mad mean ya? On the non mad mean ya? No, be done with the 2 I know. Do what you want to.
Oh God.
Them are going over the yard.
Yeah, what?
So them are going over the yard.
Oh, you make me get in the embarrassment there.
Oh.
Yes.
Hold on.
Like you live over
When you
here,
do
so.
over Miss Johnson, you have to take Miss Johnson, man.
You there, that top top there sitting there, man.
Ah, this is one when they bring for my baby daddy.
Hey, nobody was here.
Let's go on
Yeah,
now.
listen.
Me and the man are there, take care of me, take care of me. If you don't believe me, I can go look on your sleeve.
Why you not stop following me up?
Man, if you come and take a look.
Stop following me up, man.
Give me some of my money now.
Which
No,
one?
no
You know
money.
what it is?
Wife here, me at here, wife here.
Hey,
You better
Mama.
take a look how black nasty this going up the saying.
if we take one, you know.
Cause you
One
bounce
thing,
for
the mate
all man,
of the year.
dulu me now.
So I
One
can't just
and a
be
queen.
I don't know sure.
Calm ya.
Him tell me say I just did one night and then the mistake up me.
Which one night? I'm more than one
the man tell me.
More than one time.
They don't believe money in the Bible. Don't trust men. Men are liars.
One here.
You so
One
old
here.
and take people married man.
One here.
How clean?
Say I take married man, that's your body flat
Where
like a
you
dog.
want? Where you want?
You tell me say.
No money in the
If
for
me
you get.
shut up and make you do what you
Open your mouth.
You give me the money. So go buy the crib.
Oi, you want to go on and so?
Oh, so what?
See this girl, yeah.
Oh,
A lie.
See this girl,
Lie.
the baby mother.
Lie.
This girl, yeah. Watch it.
Give me
This
the
girl,
girl.
yeah. This girl, the girl.
What you gonna do? Let me get this straight. Come right here. Cause even though I'm a mark, I'm ever hear phrase look about Talawa. What you gonna do? You say, anyhow you feel you bad, girl. You touch a strand on him. Touch him if you think you're
Remember say
bad.
you're bad. Beat the girl.
Oh, let me tell you this. I am pregnant. I'm gonna be fighting with no girl.
Say you want to beat the girl while I go.
Me know they gonna beat her.
Where you go? Take down your Margaret, you know.
Listen,
Cause you're next to go walk with
listen. I am pregnant.
Ow.
I'm gonna depend this.
Me know
Where me the
business.
So you cuss the girl while I go.
I know that.
You hear me,
sir?
Cuss him again.
You hear me, dear sir?
You see, you only a trend for me.
Kayla.
I the little boy you a trend for me.
Kayla.
Cause she come, look at your body bigger than your. That's the girl.
I'm not in the mood today. I am not in the mood today. Okay?
But you can
Listen, if you say no, you wanna 1, 2, 3, uno get shell.
Well, guess what? You're going at the mood. Come on, guess what? Next up, please. You better get in the mood.
answer something.
Girl, I will not agree. I will.
See me baby daddy there.
When
See
me
me, dear man.
Drive behind me.
when I know him name.
Eh?
I will.
Oh, see your worker here. See your worker here.
I'll see you no matter, yeah.
Them mother, I saw them mother look.
Where say a while ago? What she say a while ago?
She,
Yeah, worker when pay the day and tell me about you. Thank you for your work for me house, me nice big house.
Not your house, mine.
From morning me a wait for you with a bag of cement. Then when me send you go buy. Wait turn up a girl me send the pan.
boss it.
When me one key, when me have to borrow people buy. When me one key.
It crash, boss.
What?
It crash.
House. Can you see this a picnic here? I get rid of it. I get rid of this.
My 2025 van.
You 20 what?
We crash it.
No, I must joke
She-
here.
she-
So you say like all around.
No,
You tell like all around.
bill up.
So all around you say lie. Take lie with him. Maybe I take lie with him.
What?
You know, here.
Thank you for working on my
Listen
house.
it.
It's
I
fine.
realize so like him, I tell you.
Why you don't know how like?
Me baby daddy.
Yeah, me I talk to him, bossy.
Where money for you, man? Give me money.
Oh, so
Because
you want
fire
the
me.
money for you, Smith,
Me
to go away
fire
for
you
your
right
house?
now. Me a
You
fire.
can't do that, bossy. Me a cheap month to feed.
Hey, cut it down because me I get rid of this. Me tell her that. Me don't want a broke pocket one as my baby father. Me I tell you that. Okay. House.
And my house.
Are your house?
So you tell
My
me
house.
if you fear oh, so you should pay your work pan. Give me money for buy prom, the baby clothes, the baby ball, the baby clothes, the baby oil.
So every minute you borrow my van, boy your granny want go clinic. A girl you carrying on my van. A girl you carrying on my. Give me money, go buy me. She what? Me want me money.
She take out the money for two. Me not no more.
Much money?
Where is this? It's before the money. You this for TikTok.
This serious? Sit down for an idiot.
Oh, the can't stay.
A
Me use
station
some money
now
and go do a bar.
me I put on a station.
No,
because
man.
Me give you me much money to go get me material. Them
Yes,
and you
sir,
tell me
and-
about she.
Sir? Hello, what name? My name?
Huh?
Come here.
No, no.
Come here.
No.
Come here.
Yeah, man.
Come here. Come here. Yo. Yo, put that body in here, man. Yo,
Fool. And bring me picnic them. Bring me picnic them. And get what the dog there.
Piss me again.
Water my shop blood. Come.
I saw a woman did wicked. Yes. Bossy. Baby mother. No work.